Yari Bung, Yari Bing, Saigora Nanganinga Misek Yagashina, issue with Chief Guest Abam Hili Razang Hare.
Kare Pungjam Haufu Pani 2022 Hili Razang Gahaya Ayarwe na Razang Daklayang Sot now being Kalaram Hiwi Ram now being Saigorali Ringapa Shalam Kamie Nang Soda Welcome Sadalay Aja issue we program Hili Yur Jat Kadailang Rumogda Itumna Dui Hi Manat Laga Shichin Haura Yarina Paptamilogji Hi Ramikab da Hangaye. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first edition of the Pungjam Haufu Festival 2022, organized by the Pungjam Haufu Lovers Association in collaboration with the Pungjam Village Authority, Pungjam Village Development Committee, Pungjam Shinaulong, and the Pungjam Katamnao Mayor Ngalalong. We extend our warm welcome to all and a grateful gratitude to all the dignitaries on the dais and to all the Haufu lovers on this special occasion. Haufu, also known as Hauhui in Pungjam dialect, ordinarily found in Tangkhul, but the blue blood of this famous breed is found in this village. Today we are observing this event to show our appreciation to our forefathers and to preserve and promote Haufu. To begin with our program, I would like to call upon Mr. Chan Rishang Longlang, Associate Pastor, Pungjam Baptist Church, TPCA, to say the opening prayer.
Itum Saigora Haupok Vai Seasase. Dukamashan Negashi na Bemding Gahaya Gazing Lake Sakva. Nana ogu thui ke semwe purpose va na khata wi ungram tek mate khwai sem ga hai rung hiri achu mikmona nana sem ga haya pang them wi rung hiri Pungjam na Haufu festival sada khre khre chi miksho atam hiri itum na hitata sada khre wi purpose va ram hiri ngai hiri Run with Temsak, Mashimanda, Itum Nada, Jewish Sharuko Quaysada, Hitata Haufu preserve Sakavai, Nid de Muan Kang Suk Wang Lingshi, he will Wangina Ratsangahai Mipingachi Vu, Itum Festival Hiri, Nari Masot Ming Room Kavai, Ragasip Serai, arui program singa kita khreya kathana kada program di shru khui kita khrei cycle di noi mangra na sin mida hithada ithum na sada khrei mangai na ithuming rei ithumiram chui khmai mirin je samphang daga ithuming shan preserve saraga itum ok thui khwai itum mi gachi buri noi sok mi mirin je samphang na sak mirum arui we ran ye cycle ra na pang le khor sang da syak sa nei chi shu ming sing da khwing sa ching da nu amen
Ishumi Ochali Ning Shikchung Hamidale, Itum program, Rawa Sokhami Sada Hobok Lagrakaji, Shikasangaina. Ari Itum Yarisai Gorali, Kachite Akasauge, Hili Young Shok Laga, Taidakle, Arajili Bell Haidakle Wing, Remjili, other Gum Christmas Hili, Kasarnau Bing, Karanau Bing, Kala Maranau Bing Li, Charity Wivang, Jili Coffee, Your Midale, Jina Kajikatamina, Katom Hangai Ledale. Christmas si karena bing wang la zang sangai de le ka kala ka thai ka jam naw marana bing la ring phang sangai da na we shiru khimi la ga coffee ji ramang mi selo da yar sai gorli ji sha da le kala jiling sunda az we program hile issue we officers bing hile memorandum mission khangai le de le ka ari abam hile khuira mi lo adam chika mi khwai adam red mi khwai itum na hile ngran mi da le ye adam majala khuira mi ye ka Chalagay na tumli jika mikvay adam hi habgakno kasak laybay shine chiwangay na tum na misan kangay ledalay ka array abam hili khira miloda ladlushid daghang kasane nishilagay.
Welcome and presidential address, President Pungjam Howful Lovers Association, followed by cultural display Atung Azingtang Paraiga Herlong. Now we will be having welcome and presidential address from the President Pungjam Howful Lovers Association. So you may take your time.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, on behalf of Pungjam Village Authority, Pungjam Village Development Committee, Pungjam Shinaulong, Pungjam Katamnao Mayang Lalong, and Pungjam Howful Lover Association, extend warm greetings to each and every one of you. I would like to express my appreciation to Shri Kushim Vusham, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur, for taking out his precious time in spite of his tight and busy schedule. Not only this, but also for sponsoring this very festival. We are indeed grateful for your support and concern in making this event possible. Thank you for always being there for us and for accepting our invitation to grace the occasion as chief guest. We will always look forward to your support and guidance even in the days to come, sir. I also would like to thank Dr. S. Basanta Singh, Director of Research, Central Agriculture University, Imphal, for coming all the way from Imphal as a replacement for Honorable Vice Chancellor, Agriculture University, Imphal, Dr. Anupam Mishra. Honorable Vice Chancellor was supposed to grace the occasion as functional president, but due to some unavoidable work, Honorable Vice Chancellor is out of station and has entrusted Dr. S. Basanta Singh to attend the program on his behalf. Thank you, sir, for your presence. I also express my humble gratitude to Shri N.G. Ibodombi Singh, Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Government of Manipur, for accepting our invitation to grace the occasion as guest of honor. Thank you, sir. Your presence has enriched us. I would also like to express my gratitude to Dr. Ranathir Singh, Professor in charge, Livestock Unit, NSC Model Farm, Central Agricultural University in Fa, for coming and gracing the occasion as guest of honor. I also would like to take this privilege to express my heartfelt gratitude to Governor Manoj Shinde, Commandant 35 Assam Rifles, Somsai, for sparing his precious time and accepting our invitation to attend the occasions as special guests. Thank you, sir. We deeply appreciate your presence. According to our forefathers' way of life, a spare and hawfu is a must companion for any man with responsibility. And a sign of respect, as a sign of respect and appreciation, the people of Pungcham would like to present a small token. I would like to call upon Chief Force Ungnaungam Horamuo, Headman of Pungcham, to kindly give away the present. Firstly, I would like to call upon Sri Kushim Visham, Honorable Minister of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur.
Arena abang kapia Mr. Say. Issue volunteers being la issue chief guest we labai issue guest of honor being we labai funo being ji khayang song being John Lo the hangai atum na ji change scene laga stage lima bombai really.
Next, we have Dr. S. Pasanta Singh, Director of Research, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. Next, I would like to call upon NG Ibonombi Singh, Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Government of Manipur.
Amram Naushabung, Amsha Yutsbung, Natum na Huji, Kadaji Megat Basitum Bada, Ngang Yasame Sangai, Kai Hu Tum Ji, Kuipung Mekai, Sanao Matan legally, Janatum Ngang Yasame Roji Hingai.
Next, we have Dr. Ranathir Singh, Professor in charge, Livestock Unit, NSC Model Farm, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. Next, I would like to call upon Governor Manoj Shinde, Commandant of 35 Assam Rifle, Somsai.
Being Panga Kapi Mam Lai me I say.
Thank you, sir. The people of Pungcham would also like to present a small token to Ashang H. Hatsang of New Dusom. And we would also like to give a small token to Joint Director, Veterinary, Manipur, Sir Koken, please.
Bong made a bang of say, Ningmak don't tire. Either my phone of Kujabash in the Ukak Tire Co. Bong made the bang of say.
And next, I would like to call upon Yari Mungzimik. Yari Mungzimik. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our dear President Somibam Vushum, President of Rupai Kitam Naulong, Somibam Vushum. May I call upon Robert Payday, Chairman of Bowery Village Development Council. And next we have Ninkan Payday, Chairman of Varangarai Village Development Council. And next we have Chairman of Pungcham Village Development Council, Pokringam Payday. And next we have President of Pungcham Shunaulong, Achon Mairela Payday. And next we have Assistant Pastor of Pungcham Baptist Church, TBCA, Chan Neshang Longlang. And next we have Pastor of Pungcham Baptist Church, TNBC, Kin Lungran Chang. Last but not the least, we have Major Josephine Winobos Commander. Pungcham Haufu Lovers Association officially came into being on 10th October 2021. The main objective of the association is to protect, preserve, and promote Haufu, the indigenous canine breed of Tangkhul community. Since time immemorial, Haufu has been the loyal companion of our forefathers. In the earlier days, Haufu is fondly reared by Tangkhul community because of his gentleness, obedience, and hunting skill. It also displays characteristics of bravery, freedom, and identity. Lately, their numbers have rapidly declined, but some individuals and group of people from Pungcham started breeding and rearing Haufu to revive their dwindling numbers. And today we have around 150 Haufus in Pungcham village alone. We can expect more in the years to come. The hunting skill of a male Haufu owned by legendary Shimri Shang Zimik and the brave and ferocious male Haufu of Long Yao Vushum is fondly remembered in Pungcham, and the story is heard far and wide across Tangkhul community. Haufu, however, Haufu is little known to the outside world. Ursula Graham had vividly recorded in her memoir way back in 1939. Other than that, we don't have any written record. Since we do not have any written standard for Haufu, it is not feasible to organize a competition. Therefore, we urgently need to set a standard of anatomy and morphology. How a perfect Haufu should be like or look like. Competition is necessary to better the breed. And to do this, we need the support of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department of Manipur. Taking this privilege, allow me to submit a memorandum to Honorable Minister Kushim Vushum for kind consideration. Lately, many people have developed an interest in rearing Haufu. Even the Assam Rifles have started ordering for procurement of Haufu for the dog training center at Jorhat, Assam. Directorate General Assam Rifle Light Corps Shillong have intend to purchase Haufu Babi at the rate of rupees 9,000 per Babi on 4th May 2021 through MS Holland Dog Training Center situated at Kurai Namtaipam Laikai at Imphal. Haufu has a powerful sense of smell, and today I would like to remind the Assam Rifles that the best breed of Haufu Babis are available in Pungcham. Every black dog with grob ears and tails is not Haufu. On 3rd February 2021, a team from Central Agricultural University Imphal visited Pungcham for inspection of Haufu. They have collected the details information of the breed such as gender description, management practices, physical character, performance, utility, and other information specific to the breed. During the 4th edition of Shri Lily Festival 2022, the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri La Kanasan, and Honorable CM of Manipur, Shri Dongthambom Biren Singh, were kind enough to inspect the Haufu displayed by Pungcham Haufu Lovers Association during the festival. On 5th July 2022, I had a meeting with Professor Dr. Ranat Singh of Central Agriculture University at his office at Imphal regarding the registration of Haufu, the indigenous canine breed of Tangkhul community. Accordingly, the applications for registration of Haufu was sent to National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources at Haryana. And the process of obtaining signatures from various persons was completed on 6th of July 2022. Thank you, Dr. Ranat Singh and team, for the initiative. I am told that the application for registration of Haufu has already been received by NBAGR. We are now hopefully waiting for positive result with much support from our Honorable Minister Shri Kushim Vushum and also from the Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department and Central Agriculture University team, who have shown so much interest and concern in preserving, protecting, and promoting Haufu. On 9 July 2022, Pungcham Haufu Lover Association carried out free anti-rabies vaccination at Pungcham through the support and arrangement made by Honorable Minister Kushim Vushum. 100 shots of anti-rabies vaccine were provided to the association free of cost by our Honorable Minister. Today's event is also possible because we have an elected representative who have concern for the Haufu and for the community. All the expenses incurred for celebration of the first edition of Pungcham Haufu Panit is duly sponsored and borne by our Honorable Minister Kushim Vushum. Thank you once again, sir. We are so glad to our forefathers for this beautiful legacy they have left behind. Now it is our duty to protect, preserve, and promote Haufu. This very program is being organized today to serve as a reminder to each and every one of us to promote and preserve Haufu, because Haufu is our identity. This event is just a simple way of showing our appreciation to our furry companion Haufu and to our forefathers. We are indeed blessed and grateful that we have our own breed of canine. Thank you everyone for coming and making this event a meaningful one. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir, for the welcome and the presidential address. Cultural display we bang ready sama mandalay laka. A representation mi kangai binchina ready samilo. Karesa the Pungcham Shinaulongli Atam Midalay Kalachiwitili Pungcham Village Authority Kalachiwitili Vrangrai na Atam Matang Rakwi Mirano. Presentation we bang Pungcham Shinaulong na Atam Rakwi Mirano.
ishi shuna long pa shina like shi zangmai kachi thai sa da chief guest li pangran a kha te na mang sala la sangai da le ishi chief guest li
cái John hi phung jam khar cái John này ojana lum tu rai nang vai milo
Nishla kare ara Pungcham Village Authority na Adam Kwimirano.
Khu shongai na ishui khashi bai Jeff Kesley like ishui azak sada ke teu kha pangan sangai de lei ke John hina ishui pungjam khar ke John ngine ishui Jeff Kesley na
rasonga reiva
Rangrai khu isongai na isi chief guestry like shi chakmai ke chai sada chon akha present sangai dre
tuma ili han milo jaga hiktama milo jaga ni sira
ning sira kai le
presentation mighoi saigorali ningashi ke chung khamidale Pungjam is considered as one of the oldest village among the Tangkhus. We would be favored with a cultural display by Adung Azingdang Barai Gahalong of Pungjam, followed by short speech from Dr. Ranatil Singh. The cultural troupe may take their time. Kindly, please. ô ya ne bang the mi se isio cha na ning dong lak kai na law lak kai ni kai ju ning shi ga chung kha mi da lai adam ga che avang ra na chum na ramui mai khanga mi ching da lai. Now we are indeed blessed to have Dr. Ranatil Singh, Professor in Charge, Livestock Unit, NEC Model Farm, Directorate of Extension Education, Center Agriculture University, as one of our guests of honor, which will be followed by short speech by Dr. N.G. Ibodombi. I would like to invite Dr. Ranatil Singh to kindly take his time for short speech.
Respected most honorable chief guest of today's function, Kasim Basum, Honorable Minister of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur. Functional President of today's function and nominee of Dr. Anupam Mishraji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, Dr. S. Basinder Singh, respected Director of Research, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. Respected guest of honor of today's function, Dr. N.G. Ibodombi Singh, respected Director, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services, Government of Manipur. Special guest of today's function, Colonel Manoj Sindhe, Commandant 35 Assam Rifles, Somsai. Chief host of today's function, Unaungam Horam, respected headman of the Pungsam village, and all the respected leaders of the Pungsam village, and all the members who are participating in today's a very auspicious function of Pungsam Haufa Finish 2022, organized by the Pungsam Haufa Lover Association in collaboration with Pungsam Village Authority, Pungsam BDC, Pungsam Sanau Long, Pungsam Katamnau Mayor Nagalong, and also our respected representative from the Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services, Government of Manipur, and the member of the Medar fraternity, and everybody who are present in today's auspicious occasion. I, on behalf of my department, would like to express my heartfelt thanks for organizing such a beautiful function for the first time, particularly for this beautiful animal, Haufa, as Haufa Finish 2022. It's very, very historic because it is organized for the first time. Of course, I don't need to tell much about Haufa, as you all know very well, particularly the people from Pungsam village, that Haufa is such a well-known dog, a very famous dog, a very gentle dog, and well known as a hound dog. well known as a very good guard dog, but unfortunately, it is not yet recognized as a recognized breed of dog, as in the case of other dog which is recognized. Of course, dog recognition by the Government of India is normally taken up by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Each wing, that is the NBAGR, National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resource, Karnal, they are taking the responsibility of identifying, cataloging, characterizing, and registering the breed. Only when we could register this breed, it will become a recognized breed, and we'll get the accession number for this, and we'll be the owner of this breed only when we get the recognition through getting the accession number. Of course, we have been trying our best with my friend, my colleague, Mr. Tenosen, President of the Pungcham Haufa Lover Association, for trying to identify the pure one, for trying to cataloging it, for trying to characterize it, and for trying to register. We have tried our best, and I'm very happy to inform you that we have done many milestones, and we are almost, coming to the last stage, and it depends on the blessing of the God. I hope that Haufa will be recognized as a breed of the country, breed of India, I think sooner or later. We have taken up the research work, we have taken a very extensive survey. Of course, Haufa is not available in a very extensive way now. It is now concentrated in some areas and also found in some household in Ukhrul district only. It is not, in one sense, it is not rare, as a common dog for every household nowadays, as was done in the past by the Tangul community. So it is decreasing day by day. The population is slowly decreasing. And one day we are worried that it may become endangered. So it is the right time that we need to intervene. We need to stop this trend so that, the Haufa breed population will be stabilized, and so that we can try to do something to improve its performance, to maintain its genetic purity, to maintain its identity, and different thing, and also will be in a position to take up different development program for this particular dog. At Central Agriculture University, under each different centers will be able to take it up, so that Haufa dog will be, will be well known as one of the best dog, in the country. So far, we have already, this Government of India have already identified and recognized, in my knowledge, 3 breeds already. One is Rajapalyam from Tamil Nadu, and another 2 are from Tamil Nadu, and 1 is from Kerala. And to my knowledge, I heard that some more breeds are now on the pipelines, and in that pipelines, that Haufa is one of the candidates. So I'm very sure that this will be done in the near future. And I'll not take much time because there are so many speakers who are going to speak in today's function. So it's a great occasion, it's a great platform that you have created. And if such trend continues, I'm very sure that Haufa will be conserved. As in now, as a guarding dog, because the time for hunting is almost over now. So it will be, we are going to register it as a guard dog. They will ask the utility of this breed. So very fortunately, Haufa has 2 functions. One is hunting, there is a hound function. There is a hunting function. Another is the guarding. So we can use as a guarding dog in agricultural farm and even in our house. Aduna, there is a situation now, we are lucky enough that we are going to register this breed not only for hound but for guarding as a guard dog. So I'm very sure that this will be approved. Aduna aroi bada aina haijaning ba se Pungcham Lover Association namasung magi collaborator singbu aikoina sukimadik thagat chaba phongdok seri asigumlaba yamna magul leraba mamal yamlaba function nama sinbi ba se definitely Haufa gi damakta di asukimadik laibak phabo oidoini anobu chapter ni Haufa si seng na have the my machine say yamdre akoi research site yengsin jabada ukul and uziki hanagi ukul district kamjong yawarga lady basida masidagi loinamak loiner mang hatani masidagi hora kivani adu hujikti ayamba aiteno singa soyamba sanmenare hujikti yung khuding ke lei bai du oidre yung khar khar da lei adugo phungcham da khara phajana lei adu atai dei jaga da suyam hena leitre aduna masigi population se lising ama yobudiam wan wagadra hena khalle ba koina ko aduna United Nations ki matung ina di lising tara dagi taba population oiragadi madu endanger ni haeba madu mut khiba yaraba adugumba population ni haeba aduna adugi criteria adu yenguragadi haufa gi population siam endanger oire adubu aikoina handak pangthori ba koi research work tawdana koi registration tawbuse yam timely oire once masi recognition registration phangagadi akoi different program ma ama paikhalaga haufa gi population se soine hangat pa yagani haiba wafom sit thamjaraga loina nangasi mayam busu kitang aikoina kaino tongna baina horen koi director na pitok pigani akoi mayam gi damukta yen khara pujarai sik khara ko ado beneficiary kumwa hakta koi ahan hoina mayam ba thamjaramge mayam gi token of lemna. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The celebration is going on live by the Tangkul Express. The Tangkul Express. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful and inspiring words. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Dr. N.B. Ibodonbi Singh, Director, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Government of Manipur, for his short speech. Right after which, it will be followed by short play Sakareng.
Most respected our Honorable Minister, Sri Kasim Basumji, today's chief guest, Dr. Basundar Singh, Director of Research, Central Agriculture University, Imphal, Dr. Tesh Ranadhir Singh, Professor, Director of Extension Education, Central Agriculture University, Imphal, Colonel Manoj Sindeji, Commandant 35 Assam Rifle, Somsai, Chief Host, Ungnogam Horam, Headman Phungsam, Olga Organizing Committee members of Phungsam Haupa Lovers Association, Phungsam Village Authority, Phungsam BDC, Phungsam Senau Long, and the Phungsam Katamno Maya Nangalo. Maya Purumpu Ikai Kundo Seri, Tagachari, Loinana, Nasi, Ahanba Punchiguina, Ukrulgi, Phungsam Haiwa Pumse Lakso Matam Sida, Phungsam Gi Ima Ibel Chilina Praja Singh, Murmapang Pununga, Aigi Tim Amadi, Aigi Minister Loinana, Central Agriculture University, Aikuigi, Mayamum Lakso Chamda, Harau Yamna, Amadi, Yamna, honor Togna, Koibu Upipa, Mashidumta, Munapu, Muksuna Tagachari, Adugato Nugna, Kogi, Print and Electronic Media Secretary, Corporate Speaker Wapanumuksu, and Nakakunobsari. Aigi Mangda, Dr. Tinesh Ranadhir Singh, Yamna Marik Chumna, Haufa Si, Koi Matokramna, Masibu characterized Orga, recognized breed Ama, Ohendamba, Amadi, Petibisida, Masakangba, Adumba, Huigi, Kanglo, Mani, Haina, Utork Nabagi, Maram the Chutak Pekre, Agna, Kajiktang Panjarabada, Ekoi, Hui Haiba, Ekoi Muibaga, Yam Nang Riba, Yumsa, Haibetare, pet animal sing a sea. Ekoi Muiba Jatina, Koigi, Yamna Ariba, Nungi Juk, Koigi. Mamangi Matam Degi, quite Hana Loikiba, Muba Jatina, Loikibiti, Stone Esgi Matam Degi, Mokoigi Companion Wena, Satananaba, Chinjakinanaba, Hibis Matam Sida, Yan Hana, Doxi Loiki Henra, Aikoi, Madugi record lazy. Masmain Horokpa Sida, Aikuigi, Itibida, Ladyba, Leva Castle Ladyba. Hui Makal Singh, Highway the Huigi, Breed Singh, see hojik phawbuda masibu recognize torga koigi miyamda si lei haidan khangalibasi Federation of Sinologic International haidana masi World Canine Organization haina khangnaba Friends the Labor Sugumba Labor PTP Labor 84 na participate to na yoriba adugumba Federation sina recognize torga hojik phawbuda so far 390 briefings si recognize tor laikare si marksida leiriba ayamba huigi kanglup sing si magi lamdam horokpam dagi maming loba natragana mana seasonariba adigi originate toriba adu malebak tugi ayamana maming si longni aikoigi India da su todo kentungna breed khadi leiri prithibi gida sakhang daraba masigi maraksida hariba prithibi gi oine leireba 393 recognized breed sing sida aikoigi phungcham hariba ukulgi district se leiba asumba haufa hariba breed asi tonganba magi specific character leijaba magi special magi adaptability leiba kodamai sa haibi kheba thaine diga hongna paipu singi haktak tagi hongna satan bida sinarakba yamna loksing singba adigi mapangan kanba yamna singba adigi matakta kogi yumgi guard to ju sinaba adigi mabuge companion oina su sinarakba sugumba haufa si aikoi kari thabuk to ki haibedu matang da su Dr. Ranadi den haibet haibi kare ngasi dagi sahi mari ronggi mamangda hairiba haufa gi breed asi aikoi gi ICAR gi North Eastern Zone gi meeting to bogi sida aikoi na department sina propose to hokre kari no habada hariba haufa si recognized breed ama ohenana masigi genetic characterization to ba register to ba masi yahud view haidana Guwahati da to mutam sida madagi aikoina waribasi matam da ngasi dagi sei mari mangai mamang dadi ngasai haufa si Manipur gi Ukhrul district ta phangba adugi matakta pak sana mayam masing si more than 1000 gumba helamgadra walamgadra haibagi khoi record si phangba thibudu chongba ba matam si oiki madagi di khoi ICR da su hariba madugi agenda si defer torga mathangda khadanaba thamkhibani adudigi yamna layupham haukiba megi tang kunmanga degi haurga pangthokhiba sigumba Siroi festival aduda aikoigi honorable governor of Manipur Sri La Ganesan amadi honorable CM Manipur gi chief minister Sri N Biren yauna Siroi gi singgi makong da pangthokhiba Siroi festival aduda aikoigi stall amada ngasagi hauphaji puthokhiba loinana aikoigi mithun masi puthokhiba matam sida todo hanungna aikoigi hariba akoi honorable governor of Manipur amadi CM gi makoi puningchi phajan singsin ki habadi aikoi Manipur da leba bibam phunumungna hariba hauphar si maming di taraga masakchi uba khar waba yamna ju phangbada tangba adugumba sa hui makhalam oibasi todo hanungna hariba koi honorable governor of Manipur na masidi we should not leave it. We have to do a lot of research work on this thing and to conserve it and to recognize. We have to try a lot for its recognition as a recognized breed of canine. Taushi Haidana Harakpani. Regidi Koi Siam Su Habire. Madrigi Nongan Baga, Hek Halakbaga, I see. Masigi matang sida khan bahok pasida aina Dr. Ranadi da aina phone toi Dr. Ranadi somai tokdana ngarang pangthokhiba Siroi festival gi adugumba opening ceremony sida koigi governor Manipur amadi CM na yamna poning chingchandana hariba haufa hariba koigi tangkhul hui natraga awang hui hendu khangdaram base masigi matang da koi kitang tokjai kanda I have already started some research work on this regard in this respect sida hore adudi yam phare nang whatever you have done it please come up and let's do together haibadagidi ramai toraga aikoi si ibani wari sanar matungda July ki tang manga sida koi magi hui sigi register toki soi toki egi soiga magi soiga representing from government Manipur adagi mana Central Agriculture University represent toraga aikoi soi toraga thajan ke hojik si yamna thuna ese mana su panbi kare madudi hareba how for see yamna thuna magi genetic characterization tawdana habadi magi DNA lariba structure mayam singe loina characterize toraga koi ge hariba National Bureau of Genetic Bureaus of India sina mana madu makata na masida research tawul matung dagidi aikoi hariba breed si aikoi ni claim toraga it is having one unique magi genetic characteristic physical characteristic aduga magi hainaba adugumba either in the horns group tara sporting group tara masi jannana ba haidana pithigwi ki recognize toraba breed ma oina ba aikoi FCI sida pau piraga matungda recognize torguni madugi matamsi yamna thuna isorna purak ubirpachu oisanu aduga masi porangna honabada ngasi pawada todongna hariba hui si ipai puna thanamba adugumba breed makal masi lanni haidana aikoi gi Manipur da sangai hariba sa sina state ki animal ni haidana declare to ki gum aikoi gi hui how first issue aikoi gi Manipur gi adugumba Manipuri origin torpa leraki ba adugumba yamna kanarba khoi gi hui breed amani haibase oire chak orpa oisanu haidana su aikoi panam honasi aduga thodo hondongna masi purangna ba sibuki thak yongno honorpada aikoi gi Phungcham Haufa Lovers Association se tasengna yam thagachei mai tukna ngasi gi asugumba koi Phungcham Haufa Panit 2022 si ahan boy bere khali masi observe to hobusi aduna mathangi cheichu lagliba chei lakadru chei ka da chu sum leptana sugumba koji Haufa gi mage Panit si chei khuding pangtop ko chu ngamoisanu aduga ngamnamosu koi gi department digi make digi angamo mating chei khuding chon pangjage haidana su mayam da thamjari arobena ain hygienic bati aikoi mioi bana kwai luna toba sasing habita di kwai su nangnan leba sasi aikoi hui si one of the best companion of human beings ni masi mapugi damakta mana mai mathoi babu kathok ngambagi wari hui ge wari kayam lekare meba punchi kanbagi wari kayam lere adu matakta hojik chidi training pirubati in so many ways that koina hui singsi si nabi kana bayai mapugi seba ton bayai praja ge seba ton ba miam ge ton bayai sum singsi koina hairiba ekoi ge ukrul gi thodo hono top top papa haufa sesu hojik makal masing singsi phajana hengathalaga preservation toroga develop tor matung dagiti masisu training piraga magi haitoi singdo mayam do explore tongna ba ngasagi hojik sinaiba hui singda koigi intelligence to ro amado bomb squad ki ro army da intelligence da mayam sinde suma singchi tambiraga soidan yaba hui ni habase ayang chapchan thajai adana masimakchi ekoi panamak leptana hono batai aduga ishorna su thokjan bichesu hajabagloina ayak mana mayam panopu amukana thagachari thank you very much thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. Now we will be favored with a short play from Ung Lang Sing and Bardi titled Sakareng. Sakareng means hunting. Our forefathers were great hunter. Hunting animals for game and for food is their passionate activity throughout the year. Sakareng party na atam kui mirano. Adama kali Phungcham ram hili asho alep ka unga kala kurikvuna ngachan sala kahaya shimrishang kaho yarkoga akalaisai tangka ana awi haufu ava chili tanpungda
ajuva ini savarengsa ajuva ini sawareng sa ajuva ini seju aka khoi prung rukho ma khoirang la khain dang da mung bai mate sai chato sai
夫子为去把维克勒讲，查瑞里空hom谈哩。
你下午应该看大米个呢？
呀，可我去啊，个中可说开着呗。那吧，ini là hun khờ, cái sam khui xí này.
Nếu vậy, ta cứ khổ gì là mong khui lao xí cho.
Awo, hi chong yêu ifu va kram thấy to.
Yo, sa khring ji mai sang nên là đây.
Ma, awo.
Athang ngui nên ngui phu khon cái sao này. Nên ni ini ahang mau phu ghi đó lấy là khờ. Isi lui phê li, sẽ chơi ác li. Yang ini là riêng ra sai wo.
Awo, sẽ chơi chi avu ka avak le jang.
Iri ha avaga vukla chia yang hapai da ila mathai thura. Da iri ha na mang na reng zat lak la.
Ma, awo, imang mai. Ta awo fuji sa khring chi ho hai bai shine. Ila shur va fu ka.
Hamai sang chi thalu.
Na ba, ini là ung khafai khang ran sa usoi.
Ha, chi na pa mai ra.
Avalang bai na va khipung za jingla. Rit la kai na ka thali. Yo. No ji va sai chu a koi mai dai.
Mai yo. Yoron ka jang lak le. Mai shang. No hi ha fu sak jang hai da ka ji dai. Maning sa ni ji va sa hi mu khoi mra dai. Ye na wi sai chu a koi phung za mi da khlai da la.
Osh. Avalang bai ring pha nai ra vai. Avalang bai hau fu hi va matam mi lak la la khang chai na awi thang khamai. Ka sing lai phulung wa.
Mai shang. Ma wo. Hi la no wi fu na rang ka za da sa sai da. Na na khrang la ga da. Sa koi hi na wi yer sa mi khai da la.
Avalang bai ning shi ka chang kat thai ra cho.
Hey ha. Na sam koi sa ashang. Ashang. Na wi tha da ila ha fu awa ka ma ta ka. Yok phulung hora. Sa ma rang sa la la fu wa ka ma ta ka le hi. Shi mui sa ri na. Ngam la ka mi kar ba ba ma. Mi lam ra ka pha leng ka chang ma na. Sai. Za la gu sa.
Ta avalang bai ina phungu kai ara.
Ma shang. Ara ma phung no lo.
Avalang bai. Na na hau fu khoilak ra chia kha iram mui hau fu khoilak lo. Ram ga jila iram mui hau fu hi. Rang thim ku ser da lai ya. Avalang bai. Hau fu hi ya sali la akshi khrom bok khai jiwa. Ma chu ho loi mane. Kathak la thak lak ba ba mai. Ta pai maning mane.
Ma shang. Ha fu wi ka ma ta hi wa. Hang ka fa apong chung ka lai ve. Ta ha fu wi khar jan hi na tang sao sa nai.
Ei cho.
Yaru sai goran na bang phe mi se play ji jina khang jang sai re aju bang khnau le sang mai kha dang reu re ning ga shi ga chung kho ga jang khare na uklongai na phongsok le shi de le sa khareng birthday na thum na aman sakla gai na tam khoi la ga phungjam ring ga shan ladlui da ga ji the ji wang ning ga shi ga chung kham mi de le. Now may I invite Colonel Manoj Shende, Commandant 35 Assam Rifle, Somsai, to deliver his short speech, followed by Audrey Gapung, which is also a special display. Now, sir, may kindly take his time.
Thank you very much. I am very honored to be part of this event, and it is a very eye-opener for all of us that in our very own area of responsibility, we have this such a wonderful breed, and it is matter of pride and honor to witness the kind of fervor you all have shown and invited us to this event. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, the village authority, Mr. Tennyson, and all the members of this society. We are glad that we are part of this society, and we are honored to come over to this village. The kind of warmth that you all have shown is really a great sign for all of us. And we are all there. Somse Battalion, Headquarter 10 Sector, is always there for this village, you being part of us and we being part of you all. So it is really a matter of great honor for all of us. As a token, I'll just give a small gift for the village authority. The lamps. The village head authority would just try to take over this small token of gift. It is for the elderly people. The list of individuals for whom we are giving this lamps, please take it. Okay, one more small gift for the Phungcham Shanawlong, a very small memento. Actually, we couldn't get much, but whatever assistance the battalion, Somse Battalion and Headquarter 10 Sector will give for this village, we would always be happy to extend that help for the village. However, as a small token of gift, I would request Phungcham Shanawlong to take it. Subsequently, we'll keep coming to this beautiful village, and we'll see what all can be done from our side. Thank you. This is just a small token. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Once again, thank you for your wonderful speech, your time, and even you have given us a material gift. Ara Audrey Gapung Bachina Adamji Rakhimilo. Audrey Gapung will be displayed by Adung Azingdang Borai Gahalong. This activity is carried out during harvest season of Battlefield. Menfolk compete and show their strength and energy by carrying the Audrey. Womenfolk accompanied the group by serving core and meat, which will be followed by short speech from Dr. S. Basanta Singh. Azingdang Adungdang may take their time. Colonel Migahaichi, Colonel Bing Wewang, Solar Lem, Humpangada Aka, 51 Solar Lem, Iramli Mihedele, Saigorana Banga Pemise. Adam he Malay Ture Jena Shijin Tay make Vaisa say Audrey Gapung Bashina Adam J Kadak Wilung Li Queen below the Hishong, the Luida, Hot Lishit the Laye.
Wodre ga phungchi khangaran makuprang akha kakhane program sata khwai sa se. Let us welcome Dr. S. Basanta Singh, Director of Research and Central Agriculture University, Imphal. Thank you, sir, for coming all the way from Imphal as a replacement for Honorable Vice Chancellor of Central Agriculture University, Imphal. Sir, you may kindly take your time.
Good afternoon to everyone. Natum lay hayakshi mitalay. Mayam kurumjari. Today's chief guest, most respected Qasim Basumji, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and the Transport, Government of Manipur, Dr. N.G. Ibotombi Singh, Director, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Government of Manipur, my colleague, Dr. T.H. Ranadir Singh, Professor in charge, Livestock Unit, NESC Model Farm, Central Agriculture University, Imphal. Our special guest, Colonel Manoj Sinde, Commandant 35 Assam Rifle, Samsai. Today's chief host, Ungnongam Horam, Headman, Phungcham Village, Phungcham Development Council, Chairman, Shri Phokrengam, and today's organizer, President, Phungcham Dog Lovers Association, Shri Mr. Tenusant, Amadi, Ngasigi Akoigi, Sauraba program asida lengbirakliba Phungcham village ki anorba Chinau Alaman Marumpa Amati Chansia Singbu Ahan Makta Dayangna Kurumjari Akogi Honorable Vice Chancellor ji Mangasi Sida Lakpaki program ji ma final ceremony adubu Kariumba emergency ma lakpadagi ma ngasi lakpang amdre aduna magi maikaidagi ayangna Mayambu apologize Dr. Ngasigi Hopa Panet 2022 Asi Sinviriba Akumaruina Phungcham Hopa Lovers Association Gi President Obiriba Shri Tenusan Amadi Magi Timna Aikogi Manipurda Yamna Koigi Tang Lava, how Pu Hariba Koigi Huigi Brida Sibu, Yokatana Tamna Wanavada, Amadi Masibu Kanjab Tona Wanavada, Achoba Taudang Lobakidongta, Akoima Kai Navoina, Akoya Achoba Kubam, the Man Kubiji. Akoina Jukange Madudi, Manipur say, Akoigi Pikitina Mahoksana. Apa pot pipiram meba. Kudamu narwada Manipur ki poni, Manipur ki Shanghai, Manipur ki ok, Manipur ki yen, amadi Manipur ki haupu. Sigumba tang laba koi Manipur ki lanjing jay. Koi na thoksha dabadagi amadi masi khang dabadagi. No magi masing handrak tana masi endanger oi piam da lai ko. Aduna masi yokana honabada Aikoi Punamaki Daitaji on a joy. Hariba, Koi Tanglava, Akoi Lan Meam, Jakoi property Meam G, Masi, Masida, Atawa,
यान मरुइबा कोई गुण मयाम यावे मयाम द खंगदबा खुदम होना वादा अखोइगी हाउफुद यावरिबा मागी थौना लेबग लिंजेन मागी हाइसिंग इंटेलिजेंस अमदी मागी लेना तिना चंगम ngамदबा सिगुम्बा मागी क्वालिटी मयाम जे मसी अखोइ फजना थिजल कांदा मसी अखोइ तुंगी मिरोन की दमकता मसी थंबजी अखोइ यामना दरकार ओइरे अदुना अखोइगी सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी इम्फाल ना अखोइगी डॉक्टर रनजिन आइबिरे मसी अखोइगी इंडिया की ओइना अखोइगी मसी रिकॉग्नाइज ब्रीड अम ओइना बा अखोइना अखोइगी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ वेटरनरी एंड एनिमल हस्बेंडरी का अखोइगी कनो तौनर कांदा अखोइगी मसी योखतपची अखोइ कन होनरी माना जाबिग्रे मसी अखोइ हानादगी अखोइ मसी चिजल कांदा मसी अखोइना चिया चांग ओइना सबमिट तौग्रे अदुबु हौजी अखोइ मखोइगी नेशनल ब्यूरो ऑफ अखोइगी एनिमल जेनेटिक रिसर्च कगी मागी अखोइगी मागी रिकॉग्निशन की मदु अखोइ ngaidung la अखोइ ngaibत ngaire अदुना अखोइना तुंगी मिरोन की दमकता हारिबा अखोइ मणिपुर की तांगना फंगलबा लन मयाम जे मसी अखोइ योखतपचिदा अखोइ पुनमक सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी इम्फाल अदगी अखोइ डायरेक्टर ऑफ वेटरनरी एंड एनिमल हस्बेंडरी मची पुल कांदा अखोइ फजना थिजल कांदा अखोइ हाउफाद यौरिबा अखोइ मगुन मयाम जे मसी फजना अखोइ साइंटिफिकली स्टडी तौरकांदा नैनबजी मसी याम दरकार ओइरेब खुदम ओइना हारबदा अखोइ मपानदगी पुसलकपा हुई लैरु मतम जि मणिपुरददी लुपा लिसिंग यांखै लुपा लाख अमनि पिरबो तो पामुदेबको अदुना अखोइगी हाउफुद यौरिबा अखोइगी मगुन मयाम जी फजना नैनरकांदा ngasa अखोइ डायरेक्टर हाबिगिदो मसी अखोइगी फजना तंबिरकांदा अखोइ मणिपुरददी हौजिकांदी कमाय तौगेदा अखोइगी युम कोई पेट थंबगी चनबिजु याम हेंगलली अदुना मसुमगी डिमांड याम हेंगललीबा अदुगी जु मतकता अखोइगी लैरिबा अखोइ पुलिस की ट्रेनिंग सेंटर अदगी पुलिस स्टेशन अरे आर्मी की सुम मयाम मयाम जी अखोइगी सुमबा याम इंटेलिजेंट ओइबा याम करेज ओइबा अखोइ सुमबा ब्रीड असि याम दरकार ओइरेबको अदुना हारिबा हाउफु हाइजी अखोइ फजना थिजनबगिदमकता आइना जो अखोइ आइगी कलेग डॉक्टर रणजी का तानर कांदा अखोइ मसी अचौब प्रोजेक्ट अमा मसी कमाय तौर कंजाब तौब थम्बा यागदगे हाबिजी मरमदा अखोइ मसी हे अखोइने हानिबग मसी अचौब प्रोजेक्ट अमा सार कांदा अखोइना फंडिंग एजेंसी मसी थार कांदा अखोइना अचौब प्रोजेक्ट अमा लागदी मसीगी अखोइगी मतुंगी तौगिबा रिसर्च मैम जी तौब यानेबको मसीगी जो अखोइ तानरी अदु अखोइगी डायरेक्टर ऑफ वेटरनरी हाबिगिदो मसी अखोइगी स्टेट की थाकता मसी स्टेट की दो ओइना लाउथोबगुंबको सुंबगी जो अखोइ स्टेट गवर्नमेंटदगी सुंबा प्रपोजल सुंबा अखोइगी इफर्ट तौबिरगदी हारिबा हाउफु असि मणिपुर नतना अखोइ इंडिया की लैरिबा वर्ल्ड की लैरिबा तो अतोप लमदा मसी अखोइना पॉपुलराइज तौबा मसी रिकॉग्नाइज तौबदा अदुगुंबा अचौ मतेंग लागदरा हाइना आइगी मोता आशा तौजै अदुना अखोइ सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी इम्फाल लेजै मयाम जो कावर खंगनबजै मसी अखोइगी इंडिया ददी ख्वादी चौबा अखोइगी एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी नि अदुना अखोइगी वेटरनरी कॉलेज अखोइ अनि लेबको अदुना अखोइ कॉलेज अनि जसिजो अखोइ अफाव अखोइ रिकॉग्नाइज रोबा अखोइ साइंटिस्ट मैम लै मोइना जो हारिबा अखोइगी मसी मोइ पुल्ल कांदा अखोइ मसीगी हौफाजी मरमदा अखोइ यामना इन डेप्थ ओइना मसीदी यावरिबा बाय क्वालिटी मैम अदगी अखोइ हजिकांदी अखोइगी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी टूल सिनर कांदा मसी कमाय तौरगा अखोइ मसीगी रिसर्च से अखोइ खुमंग जावसंग हाइबसी अखोइ नैननी अदुगा ngasi laibasi khudong chawji lor kanda अखोई की सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी लेरिजी नॉट ओनली को अखोई की एनिमल की नतबा अखोई लेरिजी एग्रीकल्चर की लेरे अरे हॉर्टिकल्चर लेरे अरे इंजीनियरिंग की फूड टेक्नोलॉजी मैम लेबको अदुना हारिबा अखोई की ngasi की लेरिबा फुंगचम विलेज है मसी चौखट होनबद जो अखोई की सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी ना अखोई की जो स्कीम मैम लै अदुना मसी ngasi लांग मतमदा यामना फजरब जगानी मसी आइना खनबदा मसी दा अखोई की हैरा मैम थाबी आनेबा मसी किवी थाबी यामना इंगमनिना अरेगी अखोई एप्पल थाबी यानी अदुगुंबा अखोई टेम्परेट की फ्रूट मैम जो मसी थाबी यानेबको अदुना अखोई सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी की अखोई वाइस चांसलर तानर कांदा हारिबा अखोई खुंजिदा कई तौबु यागदगे हाजै मसी अखोई सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी की तानर कांदा अखोई मसीदा अखोई चौखटपदा मसी अखोई खुंद लेबा मियो चिंगजिगी मागी लाइवलीहुड हेंगन होनबदा मा इनकम हेंगन होनबदा अखोई जो खिदंग थौदांग लौना बायना मसी ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯗ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time and wonderful speech. Now we will witness special display Wadrei Gapung. Wadrei Gapung na atam kui mirano kalajiwiti changli thangrei khanga hei chila maranda kui mirano. Wadrei Gapung bashile atam midale.
Hi.
Live cao tôi là nó.
Nishilagare Wadrei Gapung hitongli matalagay na sajitay highway va atungtang azingtang prega harlongli ningashi gachung midale. That was Wadrei Gapung. This is an activity that is carried out during harvest season of paddy field. Menfolk and womenfolk compete and show their strength and energy by carrying this Wadrei. Now special display Thangrei Khangahe. In the olden days, our forefathers used to cut big trees in the forest for making ngamung, wooden slab engraved with symbols for making traditional house. The villagers in the group would carry the heavy log and the owner would organize big feast for the whole village. With merrymaking, the villagers carried the big and heavy log from the jungle to the village settlement. Now let us welcome Atung Azingtang Purega Harlong for the demonstration of Thangrei Khangahe. Thangrei Khangahe Wivang Atam Kwimirano.
Yarina Maisai na Ngai Quise, Kuvangala Jilaga, Tingray, Pungjam Duli Tongray, Tingray Gajine. Tingray he could develop the opening babam together. He Ngavungizing, Hayungigi, he could buy money money. Jena Maisai the Blagina, Tingray Jing, Hayung Rada Kalene.
Không thô.
Kalau sang nau na sim sam sadam le ran kesan ni ingrai hi umum hi kalau kita hi thing ni kalau umum hi masa dak ni jalan awal ni samala umum kan hi masa ni kalau kami terang ni jalan sesuai kalau ini dia apa lagi sih kalau kita sudah umum hi malu tu cara ni terang ni Hai ung na rum kawai hisong hai ung na hai ada hai kumna
Ni shila khai ria thang rei thang hai mathalak aina sa chitei ka hai wi The people of Pungjab Paure Varanglai is blessed and honored to have Shri Kushim Vishum, Honorable Minister Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur, as chief guest. The first edition of the Pungjab Haufu Panit is possible because of his support and concern. We are indeed grateful to Sir for sponsoring the event. We will always look forward to your support and guidance even in the days to come. May I invite Honorable Minister Kushim Vishum for his speech. Sir, may you kindly take his time.
Sigi function sida egi director oibiriba Dr. N.G. Bodnomi Singh, Director Veterinary Animal Husbandry Service, Government of Manipur, Dr. T.S. Ranathir Singh, Professor in Charge Livestock Unit, NEC Model Farm, Directorate of Excellent Education, Central University Imphal, Special Guest Governor Manoj Sindhiji, Commandant 35AR, Somsai, Chief Host Ungnomi Horam, Headman Pungjam Village, Aduga Akwegi Ngasigi Sida Egi, Department Degi Officer Weriba Maruina, Joint Director Koken, Masing Function sida program da yob vidra su lak bibagi damak yam nungare aduga Joint Director Ukrugi masung sai chak tabam dam dam sa sagwe malakra ai akwai Joint Director Veterinary gi Department gi yangbiriba Ukrugi Joint Director aduga aigi nominee waina pubirba ningtam mabani bu yamna public mayamda in the appreciate toning ibdi hojik Ukruda activity patana veterinary department si ani si kita maktani hadi mayam gi mamangda aduga director gi mamangda msemasi e phongda ninge adu amaro ina ngisigi Central University gi Dr. Mayam Professor Noi Mayam sina siguma kunchida asinumi si siguma tanja phangsi kunchi pikrabsu kunchida hanna kunchida gi emle 2 times ahanbada Peter Pere, hojik ma lady, ma hojik emle kunsidegini, adu metangda Dr. M. Horam, hojik ma lekidre, Dr. M. Horam ki kun, sida emle si anira putokraba kun amane. Mesi ain hiding mana kunsi pungjam haiba kunsi ain yamna important lori si kunsi tangkhul ki damak nadanna naga ki damak dasu one of the oldest village ni si kunsi. Aduna mesida ina importance mesi piri she kun sida nsinumit sida RKL ki president and team nasu mesi ekoi su pungjam kunjida loinana ekoi handak rapaida koliba sata singsi ki maragda 80+ da phangba sata singsi da kichik ting ore su ekoi khra tharong do biro hane mukoi 기다막다수 토랑시기 핵로이르가 시마시수 방톡노바 모이는 리퀘스트로다 군신의수 오그나이저싱의수 야비바기 담막다 president기 on behalf da aduga leiriba ekhwegi rape kun mayamgi on behalf da kun sibusu headman aduga authority aduga prajasing na khoi mayam basu ei nungai ba phongdok jari ngisinmi sida ei tasing matam loning mini ekhoi phungjamsi laipak phai haibadi manipur da phungjam gumba eigi kun gumba si 1000 naibni sigi marak sida phungjam sibu Directorate na Veterinary Department importance amani and lorga ngasi sida shiliba mayam sida su director ka ekhoi joint director ko department mayam na shilaga sida huji entertainment ki khangde ate te ki huji expense mayam na su moina arrange khra mateng bangba sik tamak da su ei ki staff sing da su ei yam thagat cha phungthogi ngisi numi si ekhoi phungjam khun ki tamak da di laibak phabat numi ni haina eloning e maram di asigumba helpful hype se अखोइना खंगदबना शुरुई लिलिदा अखोइगी तो हुजिक नखोइगी ऑर्गेनाइज तौरबा टेनिसन फेरे मोए आदुगा खुनगी मी आते हनसिंग योरगा शुरुईदा अखोइगी ऑनरेबल गवर्नर गा ऑनरेबल सीएम ना नोए अखोइगी हुइसे मसी हुइसी याम फजे हन अतुनि रिकॉग्नाइज होबियुने aduna matam khalo thone khuda tu instruction berga ekoi su vaccine dawniba ade de huchik phawdi krisu mateng bi balai de dung sai egi mamang da director problem ko myam na haire repeat dawre masida recognize to ba register tawga ekoi gi si kaino helpful haiba ekoi na safu tangful hui hairiba hui si ekoi gi hanthagi bgv government sina Kunda natana Naga area da tribal area da Kirikumba unique oiba animals unique oiba chaka yingraga handaki government sinasu sikumasa ticket ba dauchida kun sinasu cooperation bureau handak ego BJP led government sida ayam basi jingda su develop to binaba haina kan khonaringe sida no Myanmar su cooperation bureau party haiba khaigno 자디 하이바 카이그노 에코이부 매암시 손을 심방학다니 아두나 에코이나 손다리바 자가도 심갓바 아시다 노이 미암나수 군기민나수 코퍼레이션 비로 하지 시마시수 에 봉톡닝에 느시기 에코이기 멜라시기 담가서 오너블 chief minister 다수 knowledge 비라가 에잉 시누이시 수마이 잣기니 하는가랑 망온다 돕다 마는수 그징 수피 아두 all the best 하이바 마기 마론소 좀 매암 mamangda masisu ay hatokuni mansu wis pirapani ngasi ate de de kholonda khoi tangul londa e ngangrege du ngasi lakriba observing no khoi mayambo phungjam khunchi no myam nasu amuk kaubigno masi matam khudingda hairiba khunji ariba khunni aduga khunjida emle ani rak pang buthokraba khunni haisisu msima sisu ekhoigi chinausin no khoi tamdalak pan no khoi su matam kutingda any kind of facilities any kind of development mokhi taga dauda tambakta chapam no su khunsi bu kaubig no haje egi officer singda su Central University da khangde ekoi veterinary department la khangde ade department kuting la pan no khoi miam su khungi on behalf da gi AMC ma siji appeal do ninge aji mixo I atam khulimre samlakana aji khongnai bi warangai na paure wen pe wen rada klen thum gdong alila phaye hit halogijine khua khali salala khali salala corporation ming roglo iwi ning jang hang hilake tama khali pau cham gi ka ina ma hangla no thum na thai me dele aji teumai khamangla la hili teumaga inala focus sara da sada khlungli adama khali 10 years mamangli ki thadale sakla ji jila khrewa atam jila pnyung se kala aji teumai ka development singa da khlung hili ngalang da hili peram songrokla kajikta tor lela ili clarification milaga aji government of India na aji teumai ka hili kola thai da khle hila aji government of India we ajing artina manipur government implement sa hili kiteoka इथुमिले किते सोइला लेते लेरे खथा साइजला 100% मसापाइ के जीवी सिचुएशन लेउदा हिका के सोइले साइजला हि यारुइ बिंगना नथुमला इलिला हांगमिलो इथुमला कॉर्पोरेशन मिंगरोकला आरुइ तेउमेगा इसी पौजमनिला सॉरी फुंजमनिला आरुइ हॉस्टल सादा क्ले स्कूल सादा क्ले गला आजु इथुमे water supply with scheme singata kle hili contract khuida kle bingala hi khu hi tir hi ituna mangi jine da khuila ka pipeline join sa da kle bingjila ka sabain da quality hila control sa khwai da pipe bula aju ishmangle mening ne aju iwe consensus hili water supply li makachang khu khni mangawe hi la regret chai Paurian bawi hi hak meda sa se jan aryan na mungsung la bam da kle ji ila nangla ke kha khangde khuwa hi khu khalila scheme kala project hi missing kam ne ji khum le thure hi iring phalake aju ko ngal singa dale kala pipeline hi kathak lung le ungjang bhawai ji si hona dale no tum ko ngal na ko rin milog ji hi la hangai ye aju pungjam we community hall we jiba Christmas we dealing check now say hi aung na tan la thang ka itum ling bhala kan tum la dajing da kleine hi Christmas we dili teu me ka in ing sang ba ji hi ba hi teu ka ing sang ke jan school we hi hang da aruya chagum teu school ji aka SSA jing sa da school ji la ka thak long le gup sang ka vai it in la pressure mi ke kala aru le te school ji la khusokai la ka thar sim ka se ji la le te khle bing ji ri me thu da gup sang ai la kala aru sa da hostel ji ka thak long le gup sang ai la hi pa hi la yu sam man la itum le te khle aru ka cham ba ji la khusokai la ka thar la khusokai sem ka vai ji ba ji la hotna ke kala aru hi le o cham le mne ji hi a chi na thum ko ngal hang ke iwi priority hi halangai no hopuk ga pe an ding da wi lung hi I priority mi re ji hi in hang da kle hi seriously I pe sam le mne I ma wa ram ne ji hi chi mang le pe sali depend sal ga tu mam dilo nan atam za da government advertise sok atam dharan atam za da ma sa thu chui dung le nan laring ma tha da ma tam thu laring ma pa thu jan chi condition ma chang khra la tra khala le te pam da le re ke them na le pam da le aju MBSC hili merit district sok adam dhar no thum la thei da le re aju MBSC merit da ne aju government hi saban corruption ni ma le khwa sa se jan aju MBSC full fledged jan MBSC ka thak long le ayal advertise sok le re isira pheno bingya jing sal yung lai tribal we quota hi 27 se ka dele MCS grade 2 thuruka jan MPS shini jili ACC thara tribal we jiwi jung le minibus secretary service la akha ga jang thai ta hi ping hi ilam no ping phesa mangli mtuai la ka ithumil meri thim le ka meri ji le kha ji le phesa ji ran ho gi ji ne apongwa khle kala MBS li aru sokai dekle MCS sa dekle IPS sa dekle IS sa dekle officer pingji na thumla ka thada athumle ma themne ji bara athumi English khamdi athumi Hindi khamdi athumi shap saji compare satum dharan yinglo ithumili kiteu ga soila teu me khaleu ga da government mangli blame salga ithumi kila hi divert sa chu kai hila hi hila ma sa phai sa se aju in hi ongjang da kleba ishi primary school ocha na graduate ocha hi 1500 wilungli recruit chagi le de khleli ram hiwi area wi mi ping hi podam pungjam mangli hangda klemne pelil hangda klene paurel hangda klene hiwi hili ngchon ngoro ka pai le le ka jik da situation ngchon ka pai apong le itum ko tong ang nur ga hiwi area hi ram hiwan recruitment staff tra ka le ga no thumwi hili khu khang de wan empower wan in a transfer sa akama stay sa akama utilize sam yo jo da ila sakla ge utilize sa khang sak jila now iwi igdo itumini utilize sam yo lo da minister le prosal ga itum le prosal ga utilize sa khang sa wi corruption hilila itum ko ngali chang khai ne ram noli ma le gi chi jana aju hikta tanja hi samla ga arihon ni chief case la tra khal la ma wam ne e government we apong ai na government function ni a chung me la ma mya to ogda ko chung ja hi government function ni hikta tan ja hi next ki tharan samagla aju in hangda gle hi aju hopeful hi klam hai da I ra da gle lung hi hikta atam ma cha la topic hin che la teu me gan no thum le iwi ning le khle ji no thum hang sok ne aju khnawa sa da hi hopeful da Kheli tanghul fu saring khai fu da iram chong le ithum na thui thei tha thar da laga saring vai ka sa ji are siman ma man da khli hi ithum mi fu ji a jing song le atung song le khang de pam lu al ga hau fu ji atum ba na supply sa phok ta khli ne hau fu ji atun ma tha me dang no da khli ne jana 아주 나톰나 봉점리 히기타 오나이 참이다 클리아 아주위 오나이 Mr. Tennyson kala no timping kala khu aungabing kala hili involve samida kala no tum ka tongan na azu hi business ka soge jine maram baba itumna ayang lewan fokuda de laka kha lak tram kala kata le de kene azu itum hi timan la trak le de ing sono bing la ji familo hi trak le de ka kli khure kla ge le hikta ta hila mak thei tha de le kha ji azu phungjam hili hikta fu hi mela sal ka fu hiwi kigla sa kigla hiwi mangai na hila itumi economy le hina pusa akhami gi jin jana business ko hiba lui khawa mangjin business meaning ne contract sajin mang business meaning ne RGC of subsidy tan jadakle jin business meaning ka business ja acha khleli acha khdel sokta khlejili nan master sa sab laga business sada atam dan success agi jine ila business an hopo gida business maram la tyo mega inala hi experience ne no thum tyo wida aju fu hi tyo wida mapning lo ka shimla gle jingumma no thum na aju kungjida samilog jila consider sak vai sare aju director la kobi no thum la miare no thum ka no shi hi im special thawlo ka khangde de la panga ka pe ya ka tamre isi tang no bi dang panga ka pe im mangale athang im mang la ka pe la ne shi wa tek mu ji la ka 아카제 방다방 팽세 식동아 히탈로 질 아통지 다시 이제 CEO 렉처를 난도던 그 페레가 우지네 아카가 올라다데 히가 히담로 우지네 와당 이닝 터란다 랑속로 자가 다 아주 징소 히다 던자히 삼망라가 너톰 그동안 닝시나이레 일리스피 상람의 밀로 탁라가 나랑 나오세다 메시지 부이들레 카탈라 먹 이우닝리 클레히맘 뒤라 자다가 이닝 머링 밤에 자나 아즈라미다 아바바 너톰 아톰 그그자 가발리 프레노 망테지네 잔 아즈 프레노 빙 딜라 이 타담 타란 삼봉미아레 이시 가노 빙글라 노스노빙 히 색마자가 그때가 히드마 클라 타이 다음 Then Atamjida, Bongida, Chinalong, the Tumbingu, Oglu, Sagorilla, Coca Samerino, Adu, Samidakle, Ili Atum present Mikano Tum Donga, Ninslagare, Tata Atamjida, Ili Natum Hangare, Nek Salak, John Milia, Kamukwila, Tata Hanore, Natum Leshaga, Hana Nocti, Sumilo Jime, Hictata hit at the evening Pane down. Darling Sinumisi, Jino Media, Kutakisu, Tambaktasu, Yam Lagrimne, Messiki, how Fuse, knowing Kahansa, no way Kutalere. ताहंजनो खुदलेरे नोए ना क्रा मसीमा सिदी मीडिया रखा प्रिंट मीडिया न कोई मयाम न मतेंग पिरो सिकुम दंजासी न कोई सु मसी इम्फाल की सु कोई मीडिया की पर्सनल सिंग सु क्रा याम लाए नोए नि सु सिगी खुन सिगी मरम दसु अदुगा खुन सिना याम यंगो होजिक लो बा मतम ने तो सु रेस्पॉन्स फतना सुमाइन लापि सि यंगा मोइ ने तोरि सि मोइ की इंटरेस्ट अमा की थबक ल तो गवर्नमेंट लेवल दसु कोने मतेंग बांग मदु तुम मतेंग बांग ने अदु खाइदि की मुरो इबति कोई चिनो media na koi kudalere koi ene yam hydrosu ene kra hydro no koi kra sangna ya dum ibiro medelon da point si adelente horen ene pirege mudu da no koi jingra kra atum kaino toro mc masisu press ichin now da so se shisu pairo horen si da so before the kra ibiro aduga mesi koi aigi 없어 생각수 다나가 지히 쿠팅다 에고 소만에서 오그나이제이션 없이 좀 혼나세 에 혼나바 야도 좀 혼나게 아두고 거기는수 너희기 컨트리뷰션 따라 레 거버먼트 갖다 디펜드오노 너희기수 너희기 인트레스 아말 토라비 거버먼트 모두도 SOS 라거든요 SOS 라거든요 거기 갖다 너희는 하준 레비 모두도 가나로 아두는 야림케 넥스트 이어로 소마이나 거기 아시되기 했나 저는 농아이나 거기 오그나이제이션 바도세 야시 시마시 하이가 에 시달로신자에게 너희는 후이 거기 어서싱 거기 미안다 비리지 거기 시든 막 끝나 혼나게 aduga ate su ai gimro sing su pam su le gri kumba kano ter se koi gi no khoi myam na su koi gi chinna media kamu da su ningshin ba yar di khan ningshin biro ado moine su noi da su sum soidna mating pangrak ni haine simsi hairega ai sidalo chinjarege government is ready no way da mating pangnam they always ready ni adu public sina quite important thank you
we share it with Jeff Gas Honorable Minister Kashim Vashum Kiduin Hangsigla ni share gaji Pongsho Kwai do Kangdele South Sigaja Jilla Manakwi Gabai Manakwi Lagani share Jigazan Kadena Hangaye our Jeff Gas Honorable Minister Kushim Vashum is a man of his word. Ana ngashit gai ati shoda phanethi salo in the samira sponsor samira the ngashit gai ne samila gare. Kalo arila isina memorandum mission gai ji samila gare sami khwai sara dari matui da gai hi samilu shit lagre ge jitu mushit gasang ne. Kalo itum honjing jing rai sa se. Ni shikzang kadai sir. Aro Argale Partially Adam Middle. Now we have meritorious award distribution by Argale. Argale Washina Adam Jikwimilo.
Thank you, moderator and sponsor team, for giving me this opportunity. As respected today's chief case and headman and people from the ties and off the ties, I will speak in Tangkhul, so for the comfort of the people. As a Meritorious Award, Rupee Meritorious Award, we hili class 10 li 80%, state board li kak hai bing li kala 85%, CBSE na ICSE li kak hai bing hili issue Meritorious Award is sami dekhlane kala class 12 li arts li 80% kak hai bing, science li 85% kak hai bing, commerce li 75% kak hai bing hili. Tena hiwi Lisi ishili mi 24 na all total mi mkuda matina semitra samidle as a issue we Meritorious Award 2022 here is solely sponsored by Kushim Vashum, Honorable Minister of Transport, Vet and Animal Husbandry. Hina sponsor sa mida kline jena angali lak chunga ning shidle rakra damlila nana hita da sami jinglo khani dot national being li encourage sa da sami jinglo di hita da request sangai issue ready saila okay envelope achi rai re uno as a hilly razing Mikai, Kadam now being here, letting them just read them Ratura, Avu Vaping, Rami the Claving, Hilly Razing Hai being here, she made Chishatka, Hina, Rami at Legena, Avu Vaping Hina, Shokumilo, Ishiwi, Kashik by a chief case with Bang, Aina. Karisada, Temsing goodbye. Mangali, Temsing goodbye, Shishim Kunda Mangali Ramilo. Nextly, Sopuyo Kumra. Thirdly, Shangreso A Shatsang. Oh, Hilirami Mons Haulontina, Quickie in a Patak Libinina. Atazimik Shinala Ramiolo Hili. Atazimik from Galang, son of Zed Lucas. Tuitili Jimmy Curry. Todorov Arthur Curry, Pe. Vidya Aungshi, Todorov Pungnan Aungshi, Pe. Hilirami Manolo Adam Msaikvai. Worsam Curring, son of Joshua Curring. Halang. Ngarakzak Luikor, son of Wortingla Luikor, sorry. Number 1, Ronro Shimray, Todorov Mingmayang, Ronro Shimray, Pe. Huisang Huileng, son of Ngvau Pung Huileng, Halang. Okay. Taga as a hilly report masala, Razang Mikai being national being a Minghila, Kutongo here at the time actually Badam Yoga. Olo lohe avavu ya mingmang hang miora otso lohe temsing gabai warling temsing gabai sopuyo kumra sorilo weza warngam john huileng ayu john vashum shangreso e chatsang 1 year la hauria kanyami sang shimre setulo lu weza metso welu weza mesu welu mikrizu athazimik vilan sopi shang shimre jimmy kare hewe weza vidya wungshi kanimla ar shimre vetu nelu weza worsem karing jeniti zingyo ngarakjak likor ngamre won ronre shimre kwisang huileng ashi mgda matihina azu Meritorious Award he ishi Honorable Minister na sponsor samida ashi le cash award as well as itumwe certificate he 5,000 plus certificate he samida kline jiwang ishi tongan akshi panglang na pem yosa laga hili pungjam naula kala ayali ayarwen razang haiping ishi rupai nauping wang azugum la ishina free coaching sponsors are me because tada underprivileged now being here coaching around 3,000 5,000 6,000 we admission quick vai shograd le ka hi bing hile ishi gam now being chung chai ne ma zung mu ju ho sung zum ne jena ishina oja ishi rupai now oja hokui laga free coaching hi kwika milira azugum kwika mira jingum mu haila winter free coaching kwika mira jena azugum ishili ojang jom ni khai bing hila adam jang sala atmu ya ming hila thada yari mangali hila da padam yauge ungning as lecturer ukru higher secondary school physics ning mathing soro sacred heart higher secondary school lecturer social science raimi zimik lecturer sacred heart higher secondary school maths gopung tui shogong now tutor for maths, physics, and chemistry. Ungbom Bashum, assist teacher, Orienter School, physics. Ning Mila Yangya, assistant professor, St. Joseph College, Ukrul. Mary Grace Shali, assistant professor, St. Joseph College, Ukrul. Sir Siver Ningsen, okay, Sir Silver Ningsen Principal Moringmi Memorial School hina school ashina school di tikami da kalemani tikami liga jili azugum hi 2 months hi ishina school hi chijin sakne jiwang ali la ning shi hi hangai liga hian tangwin. Thank you so much.
Nishla kare rupai katam now long way President Lee. Ara vote of thanks Vice President Pungjam Hawful Lovers Association Kalachiwi Tichangli Gop Kasang Wila Je Mr. Sangi Prire and Party Naratan Mikvai Redi Sami Saranam. Now I give time to Mr. Young Ben Yangya, Vice President Hawful Lovers Association for vote of thanks.
Mring Pari Le Mring Pamai De Jo Nixie Azang kain tum sai korli ari na itumwe chief guest ka tumli itumwe ning shi tu hi itumwe chapsi twen hangre na tumna hada shikang na milo. The Pungjam Village Authority, Pungjam Village Development Committee, Pungjam Shunaulong, Pungjam Gatamnau Mayanglalong, and Pungjam Hawful Lovers Association would like to thank to Sri Kushim Vushum, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur, for taking out his precious time and gracing the first edition of Pungjam Hawful Panit 2022 as a chief guest. Without your support and concern, we would not be in the position of organize this very event. Thank you, sir, for generously contributing rupees 3,50,000 in cash and sponsoring the artists who will be performing shortly. We are indeed blessed to have you as an elected representative. Thank you, sir. May the good Lord continue to bless you and your family abundantly. I would also like to express my sincere thanks and appreciation to Dr. S. Persanda Singh, Director of Research Center, Agricultural University, Imphal. Sri N.G. Ipotombi Singh, Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Government of Manipur. Dr. Ranathir Singh, Professor in charge, Livestock Unit, NEC Motor Farm, Central Agriculture University, Imphal. And Colonel Monot Sinde, Commandant of 35 Assam Rifle, Somsai, for sparing your precious time and accepting our invitation. Thank you, media friends, for the coverage. We will also like to acknowledge and express our gratitude to How Service Ukru for providing carpets and car nets free of cost. Let me also take this opportunity to welcome and thank in advance to our artists, Thang Meso Singlai, Nim Shimpi Muiwa, Yui Lei Chan Mohong Nao, and Oshim Soho. They will be performing shortly. Thank you, Pungcham Nao, for all the support. Thank you, everyone, for making this event a success. See you all in the next edition. God bless you all. Thank you.
Central Agricultural University Imphal Waina, her now great high, Ram now being late, Mim good upon mirror. Come ya, Mali Banglan Sam Yara, but they being Asham program he could buy the other Matang Yawre. China Miakabaji, Kadong Mudan, Akshon, the Chanyo Pere in the shop, Mildred and Shokimio. Chanyo. Lucky son, Joe, none of the shop, no.
Joe, Amsha volunteers spoon, Kadong John bro. Amsha volunteers spoon. John no, Amsha Miana boom, volunteers spoon. Amra volunteers spoon, Miana boom. Nothing to Hanam Kungamu. Her dad, her now there, Rokui Misello.
Ali Miega, the intuition of Yawara. So, whatever, so I couldn't be. No, no need money. Buy you.
Mayam da koi Central Agricultural University na koi yen khara mi kumunga da koi ahan bo na kitang pizza basi raw loksin bina ba koi ningsing jari loina na ai koi yen singsi namit marini muk surabe yen ni 4 days muk sure ana sayol ani gumbadi kitang lumhan bi ba lumna thambiu bo nungdang do raga su bok samagi manung da hapaga dai khara hutok piraga dum thambe ai adu mai gi manil kitang phangan bi gadabani masi namit sayol ani ahum bhaupudi ada moi sidi dual purpose bit ni mid ki oinu sinna baya ba yerungi oinu sinna baya ba aduga yumda hayeng seol mari 3 weeks suraga di moi se dum hingani aduga dum seol mari muk leiraga di yumda dum thado ga thamba su yare akoi gi yana khada akoi bedum thado ga loibe ya ba dugu mai yen makalam ni rainbow rooster ebe yen se adu multicolor oiba aduga aikoina broiler oina tawge haragana broiler machinjak pijaraga sayol tare ta kilo ani khare hen adum phangi yon be ai natragana khoina layer oina tawge haragana layer ma se dum gano se khoi gi layer gi starter gum ji han gar pijaraga daidi yumda phangba akoi bida phangba yumda lehoba rice bran sengku adagi vegetable waste kumba adum kobi gumba hangam gumba dum ka aga afangba yumgi waste dum pijaraga moye dum hengi aduga leibak ta lambi da grass leiba adum machinjak lebhobu kholobu mayam si moi dum chai yam laine hingbang ambadu yen makhalni aduga khoi veterinary department su leibire aduna hayem makha tabadi veterinary department ga su tanabiraga marakta sometimes vaccination akoi isingda pithakpa manatonda drop ma thadaba dung vaccination makhal ma su lei maduna veterinary department gi kangu singa ju khidang tanabiraga akoi yen singsi yana fajana loiraga akoi marung kohallaga mayam da khidang kana ba oibiyo haiba wafam ji thamjage thank you
Athang mi khni li chetat khai le khai nei banglan sa khai phungcham hafu level association we na kresa da doctor ngo shai lui thui doctor ngo shai lui thui ka khne li yaru mungzimik adam mazang lui sei isi awung da banglan sam yaw no
Yari Saigor na kya kashe na nganinga laga itum program hinga jangsan khawai la sangarum se sengi na choir master choir director Punjab Baptist Church na than mirano Yari Saigor na kya shen nganinga se
Ungreilo ungyalo Punjab yang ram Punjab yang ram Miun kara Punjab Ming a year pung long time Ungreilo ungyalo Punjab yang ram Punjab yang Awo ayi ram som Awo ayi ram som Yukari lishiri Punjab yang Punjab yang Kapung kapalan ma Kapung kapalan ma Gong ra lan ma Gong ra lan ma Ung lo ya lo Punjab yang ya lo Punjab yang khangam
Avungalai Pungjam
Parasang Kavairam
Parasang Kavairam
Lai Shi Jingra
Lai Shi Jingra
Kathem Kashang khangam
Kathem Kashang khangam
Kaya Gamayrano Umrelo Ungyalo
Umrelo Yaro
Pungjam Yang Rairam
Pungjam Yang Rairam
Initiate Sanki Pere. Now I invite Kin Dungran Shang, Pastor Pungjam Baptist Church, the NBC, to say the closing prayer.
Siasa se. Tangkul awai bingna. Atumui kering kerakli. Haufu hili ngrom laga. Ring kerawi ngashan. Acu pungjam ku hina. Kare haufu panit. Acu mayon gahai hili. Itumui minganing. Kashim vasumna. Kala korman wi kathana bingna. Brevra program hili sharukhi mida. Itumli mapung phang sakai rei. Brevra pungjam ku wibang. Kala tangkul wibang. Ngashanli matai gesang. Kala pungjam wibang. Itum tangkul wibang. Karing kerakli matai gesang ngasamilu. Acu sharukhi mi gahaya. Itumwi minganing. Minister Oja Kashim. Kala Korman wi kathana bing atum lila Revrana mchon milushita chui khamai apamli mashamai da shurukhui khawai khasomilo Revra itum program kupsang hauda itum wi kathana bing ayali kharabing shim khan hungli rohoi mangla nang chon mida shimli ichawi apamli chingri aina thanung milo saikore hi chisumingli sokhami gaboni amen
Nishla Khairi. Jenny Ishi Gatong Kibahanamung Milufu say we have more exciting items. Ara Ishi na Sagi Gaji inspection of Haufu, led by chief guest.
Iram now being Hikobai Laga concert lay for the lay Jana Kibakana Shimung la Itum Gatonga Lumlau Lishise Gachi Hiram now psychorally Pningon Kangasakne.
Hello. He issue of inspection. He issue officers being some on the line. Amai osimli Pangaran Samilo Bahangai Delaye. Amai osim. He face lagi. Ini opposite gender makasam. By John Lapini. No way are talking now. Dum Jay. Azat Taya cover Ninga Fee Saturday. In Amai osim. Amai osim na ready kasami salo. Volunteer spoon. Kami hata stage sama ada siapa itu. Kami hata yang itu. Jangan mau cuma kita kasar bro. Yawan no kutum di Dakar server ni. Amse volunteers pun. Stage ada kata ko dum ada yamelo. Stage ada kata ko dum ada yamelo. Amse volunteers pun.
Masigi yam nungai rabang masigi ahamba Haufu festival sida lakiri ba VIPs mayam. Takat sari.
Akoi su ngasi sina ahamba ni. Sigumba pungjamda akoi gi festival si asina ahamba ni. Imphal dagi lakiri ba adagi tungan ba mafam dagi lakiri ba VIPs mayam bu taram na oksari aduga loina na moy masidagi mafam sidagi khongsan dringai da ai isai ama ani khatang kudol tamjage Haufu su nan ba maleda singba maleda hauhi si su singba maleda hai bi isai si kudol tamjage hauhi se singba maleda hai ba isai si amta kudol tamjage Say sakpagi matam din nate. Kubak kuning dersu mayam na kubiyo. Hau pisu lumba malida. Sing yen su hauba malida. Nunga su hauba malida. Masida oiram moi Lairam kini Cha 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 Masida oiram moi Lairam kini Cha 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 Zabaya ba nau sek dana Hau nau sek Ahau ba makhal gien dana Mai tay Sabaya da ba mai ren da na hau mai ren hau ba nganu da na mai tai nganu ha loi na tok phok si ka na da ba ni nung da nung si no lep da lep lin no nung da nung si no lep da lep lin no iram dam gi tama hau pisu lumba Malida Sing yen su hauba Malida Nunga su hauba Malida Masida oiram moi Lairam kini Ja 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 Masida oiram moi Lairam kini Ja 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 Ai hui ki festival da laga hui pu da chat thi ka dam se ai mal he Ajaba ma khailoi na ai khoi hini hai ahau ba ma khailoi na ai khoi hini hai Ajaba ma khailoi na mai tai male hai Ahau ba ma khailoi na mai tai tập sân lê lôi na phazai da lôi na hawi da sing sui ram dam tâm sui ram dam sing sui ram dam tâm sui ram dam iram dam ngatani hawi su sing ba malida sing yen su hau ba malida Nunga su hauba malida Masida oiram moi Lairam kini Ja 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 Masida oiram moi Lairam kini Ja 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 Okay, mathang sidi. Okay, NIT se asi hairaga ko full ta da bida comment pibira kanu haibadu isai sini. Haujikti sargar si pharak panina singdu su mangal kharadi uba phangre. Thaina gi mamangai dadi chingdadi mangal sungu uramde aduna pendabadagi ikhiba isaini adubo hojik phawbu su chatnaba yabagi mongda lei maramdi kaigino hairaga chingda oza thamma yamse chingda lakte substitute loina thamme madu thambigano oza noisu chingda lau harau kumhaida nongma chatpada nungai bagumna uba wani nongma gi khongjata awaba uroi kuina leirakanda khanglagani harau kumhaida nongma chatpada nungai bagumna uba wani nongma gi khongjata awaba uroi kuina leirakanda khanglagani NIT chingda saba yai Sports complex chingda saba yai Hospital chingda sabiu Impala se yamna chingreda Office pa yam chingda saba yai Oza noi su chingda lauda Ai khoi tangpa kumba wareda Impala se yamna chingreda Lambi thong phatte mai sing phang de mahai tam pham sang ana la yeng sang amata lai tare mahai tam pham sang ana la yeng sang amata lai tare Chachi lao ne yingu lao ne jingmi ai khoi gi punsi Chachi lao ne yingu lao ne jingmi ai khoi gi punsi NIT sing the sabayai Sports complex sing the sabayai Hospital sing the sabiu Impala se yamna chinkreda Hubak amta taringe Chingi MLA na khoi kai dauri election na kre amuk chinthini sukha he tha jadre Election na kre amuk chinthini sukha he tha jadre thabak taude kari kanai miyam gi mahut na khoi NIT sing the sabayai Sports complex sing the sabayai Hospital sing the sabiu Impala se yamna chingreda Office pa yam ching the sabayai Oza noi su sing the lauda Ai khoi tampa kumba wareda Impala se yamna chingreda Thank you Thakachari Hozik mathangi sai sidi Thank you Thakachari Thank you Thakachari Sidi kaimta yaudaba icham jamba isaini ado naha singi isaini hai tare samna hai rabada Okay modusu Seba su yamna phai wangang su ing tapi masakti kaya yaude ai khoi sum lei min nei Wakal se hong lakle Ikay ba sukhang lakre Pum namak se yu nang nani Yu nang gimayay kan mali Sakti na milay sabido Tatsalaga yung lubabu Kutsu mo bilay sabido Paisalaga yung lubabu Ekta padsa kadlakle Muram bidu ngau kadlay Sumkare kokse Ekta padsa kadlakle Muram bidu ngau kadlay Sumkare kokse Yumda ti kay dauri Angang na ngay hauri Somda na yosa dari Wazaw ngang baloy tri Yumhan bakaw pokle Isay susakariye Mina yeng ning de makang de Mina taning de makang de Sakti ng bilay sabiro Taktalaga yeng lubabu Kutsu mo bilay sabiro Ekta padsa kadlakle Muram bidu ngau kadle Sumkare kokse Yugi di sana Ekta padsa kadlakle Muram bidu ngau kadle Sumkare kokse La 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 Paisha di paidana Apay basaning ba Pamudes sa topadi Halapi mo na ha Sing khong da yu yon bi Sang hore nung ai hore Ikay bahay ba khang latre Moban ng basu law hore Sakti ng bilay sabiro Taktalaga yung lubabu Kutsu mo bilay sabiro Paisalaga yung lubabu Ekta padsa kadlakle Muram bidu ngau kadle Sumkare kokse Yugi ni sana Ekta padsa kadlakle Muram bidu ngau kadle Sumkare kokse Yugi ni sana La 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 Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Chief.
Arriva, I'm so in an aire, Tankula Shilaka, Nimshimpi, New in an ase. Legacy Zimikshone, Legacy Lawin, Hobogre, or Legacy Sangarum say, Ganangarum say. I caca with son of girl, my.
Hello, Chick.
Saturday, this is Pumjambashi Saturday, lie here. Sangarum say.
雷个西克雷人里，一宁了吉里雷呀，看了推嘛雷了了，怕宁情啊john里。哦，来个西啊来个西，一尼玛，哦个推他，你那边海的马路西了了，将然后个小太阳。那里三个胖太阳，那个是，哦，那个是。那是就小米多听怕的。
以为羚羊东顶的，那为王你个海呢？
听米罗们个色。哦，那个是，哦，那个是，
哦，那个是，哦，那个是。
Thank you， 我讲。
哦，个吉他，
你那边海的门那是了了。Thank you。
将然后个小太阳，那里三个胖太阳，那个是，哦，那个是。
谢谢 artist 评理，东米的 clipping， 把阿西的半个片米塞，你写的。个拜个阿john，
玲珑个拜个阿妹，
可了个海雷个西，拜人的可拉米人。
哦，那个是，哦，那个是。小太阳，那里三个胖太阳，那个是，哦，那个是。
阿德评委呢？你们审批ini pam tali laga kila sang sak ngai ini with tweet。乜嚟？我拖回政治，这啥事啦？就阿 John 阿肯的，我拖回政人，只係怪啥的嚟，就三秒嘅，我拖回政人就係得好，拖回。我乃咪幫晒大拿幫咪樣，佢講起嚟乜三日，阿個班嚟得好。
阿個先。
那是為佢肯讀上乜人怕乜嘢乜查得嚟，乜肯讀個本病啫，查實得嚟啦，哦。我拖回政人去吧，怎那个海里是那海南洋？阿个班呢？我拖回的阿个来的。Break 个沙海并且，拉起坑个南米路。
Abang Pia say go ah.
Tôi sinh ra cái shop li nơ li ngã số đờ thủy ngà imig na thấy khờ rê chi na sang ngà han khăn ai han thơ lấy cái chi vỡ chi đờ na ya cái chi đờ na li ngơ vang thơ lum tu reina ngơ sum bi quy ngơ cái shop li na li ngơ so đờ thủy ngơ imig na thấy khờ rê chi na sang ngơ
ác khăn lại hồng đơ lấy cái chi ya chi đơ người ya cái chi đơ nên li ngơ bằng đơ nung tư ấy đơ nơi sâu đi khuya
Taranito ini samgapan iahon gasa kahwiri kahai nakon shakana manurim kahai na wimai wan chitay kwi kana
cái tour we sing run cái shop li na li cái số đờ thủy ngà imig na thấy khờ rê chi na sang ngà hàng khăn ai hàng đơ lấy cái chi vỡ chi đơ người ya cái chi đơ nên li ngơ bằng đơ lum tư ấy nơ nơi sâu bi quy ngơ lum tư ấy nơ nơi sâu bi quy ngơ
Hello. Ishi haufu ning ka jangbing. Ishi hi are adam lamale thure jena. Ishi na haufu haida kle abam hile. Auction hi haufu gore. Kala ishi we lum lauda kle concert hi la mang sam re. At the time le sau gi ne. Adam hak ling la cha da hi chong la sau gi ne jena. Haufu mabu bing jina. Auction haufu gore. Ishi we full auction haufu gore. Jena haufu mabu bing jina abam hi razang mi seraulo. Haufu auction haufu gaure mabu bing abam hi razang mi seraulo kala mabu bing jina ishiwi secretary wili certificate mi shoki jili mathala ka ning thingkhui laga paida na with information jili misang milo da hangai dele kala haufu ning ka jumping na auction sa khawa abam jili khawa mi selak sai ka ji la lui da hang lo sit le kala ishiwi ari lum lau da kala concert sa da kala hi lamang sama yese moron da sa hau se thada adam ji khui mi lo ishiwa artist pina ni shila kai re Hello, la lushida จันลุชิดเอาเกอิสิฟูออคชั่นฮีฮาพอกเอาเรฟูออคชั่นฮีฮาพอกเอาเรเจนอฟูวิมาบูบิงเนาะออคชั่นซาขวายอับบามฮิเลราจังมิเซราโล
Hello, hello.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ
Zimi kashok tara Hochamri matikchi I wanting naraha Vanau kon leishi mai Masinari ripan Paningu zakahai Achamchi leishi mai Mashan chok cheerfully Naliga tara ini jingri sampa Tungguchida ruyang kawai nali Tungguchida ruyang kawai jerfu masahau Nganiga chang mirin ki kalamatesa Pangasin dagzag Ngaya chang raholi Mating rigining li Rachi timi chinga Paningung atam chi Nalimang leishisa Ngashan chok cheerfully Naliga tara Ining Jingri sampa Tungguchida ruyang kawai nali Tungguchida ruyang kawai jerfu nisahau Aha, aha, aha Nali tay leishi mai Nganai mai ning chang mai Mashan chok cheerfully Naliga tara Ini jingri sampa Tungguchida ruyang kawai nali Tungguchida ruyang kawai jerfu ngasahau Ngashan chok cheerfully Naliga tara Ini jingri sampa Tungguchida ruyang kawai nali Tungguchida ruyang kawai jerfu nasahau Aha, aha, aha Ning xie Inanali kaya ke ning chang ke le never matei bong shou khao se mer ma ining ke diao me lung ke va da tui hai ke hang she me rao bai so rei ne hi ta sir pa lung ge mang ge thei khang ai Bom lu ying ai shon 里口，么碰手可零零里个是个风味个中，么行手零了零零个中个风味个中。可家一宁里一么热闹，洒洒细着，他能好热，一时心里么那 rim rim， 可能么么太么一宁呢个陪你。可零零里个是个风味个中，么行手零了零零个中个风味个中。
阿是的帮个票是做 boring 噻。这几几刻，以为相爱，阿为动力，可挖么累，要修那个，可阿不么太么一宁呢，宁个家。ngân na bông ai cho na uy duy mà lung mà răng cơ chân khát ly khô mà phong cho khát lên ninh ly cơ sự cơ bông uy cơ chốt mà hàng cho lên lơ ninh ly ngất sung cơ bông uy cơ chốt Thank you.
Hello. Nikshida Kaira, Yuli Chanli. Hello, Punjab! Maram laida kapana Mina vamaya ngai Yang kering kelaida no Ikali mi maning Ringa shi kon gazar mi rindung hili Kipawi mayang da kambam shon rodo Sari iwi kapenji Nirin hi may thana Sari iwi kapenji Nirin hi may thana Tang cool now vaning haglaka Kalay ka thang soko Awila di machiranga Yuga tay na yang karing lala take a missy money, take a missy money. Ketika ring mengaji, Masun lay higher girl, Masun we ming singer, Tim correct girl. Akabasa kangai kasoni kacha, Toka lighter no winning ring pakava. Masun vaji money, nana henjin higher. Masun vaji money, nana henjin higher. Tam cool now vanning thật lá cơ, cơ lấy cơ thân số phố. Are we love deep mà chi ra ngơ? You got tay nơi yang curry lơ lơ. Take a missy money, take a missy money. Tili bahiriri, wasak mengeva. Thêm gỡ chỉ khâm mất thêm mơ Arava manchuna Poteli kerjan kesataran ber Ketonga ana thay tup kehai kaya Vậy cơ chỉ say hun nơ Mà say mà rau mơ nơ Mày cứ chỉ say hun lơ Mày say mà rau mơ nơ Tam khu nào bên ninh thật là cơ Khá lấy các thân số cô Are we love deep mà chi đã ngờ You got tay nơi ăn curry lơ lơ Take a missy money Take a missy money. Hello, Ari iwi lahi nau thai chat ka hai bing na po khra nei. Cho chun chun, dum 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 dum, the legacy. Singapore wiba Lahore wiba Shiraya naraga orata Lahore minishidu Cho chun chun dum 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 the legacy Mga tummi sa legacy Mơ cho tuy giờ lấy xa thì huy ba Mơ ngơ thùng đi giờ lấy cái gì Mơ cho tuy giờ lấy xa thì huy ba Cơ hợp từ xa đơn lấy xì mà tay mây Dương gờ xì khăn lấy vang y Trong cơ vô mấy ca Cho chun chun Tum 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 The legacy Muni cái trang มาพนุงเพลงสีนาเลินลีบักกะเฮาเซไลกะชีลีนิ่งใจทุ่งเซสีนาเลินลีบักกะเฮาเซไลกะชีลีนิ่งใจทุ่งเซมองลาจะกะจับไลกะชีเพิ่งเชโอใจวิไลกะชีมาดีทุ่งบังเดกีสบายเดโจทุ่งสุนทุ่งเดเลยกะชีสังระโหรีนีวิบาราโหฟังเธอวิบาชิรายาเดราเกโอราดัมราโหรมิลิชิตูโจทุ่งสุนทุ่งเดเลยกะชีทุ่งเดเลยกะชีNext slide, Edo. Ari ina sagida khle hina Honorable Minister we request ne athang ari ina last second li sak hai bajina nokthai chat khai bing na ko pone ari hina Honorable Minister with special salaina na Abam hing ngơ ning đơ khờ tràn chỉ phơ ning mà lại khờ ri ni lấy sát ne mori chi ngơ rei ba lơ phơ ning sân khờ vai mơ lấy vì mơ sun dâng đời nơ ni phơ ning ung lấy cái chi sam gơ phăng mà cho đã sơ mơ sa ba mà khờ lần rơ mơ lấy cơ shi mơ ngơ chơi rơ ini đằng khờ măng mui a lung li khờ lui hai rơi ini lấy sa mà chỉ hồ khờ ngài ô nơ li gơ thao si mơ sa ba ôi nơ mơ ni ini lima year palung mating rik pay va shap si je ari ki ke nang sara mathai sa ke re ke chang mi ku mo ne ma hang ra sho ki ke chi a chi va ra sho khai re thai hai ra hui na ha wi ni sam ge mà cho đã sơ mơ sa bai mà khờ lần rơ mơ lấy cơ chi mơ ngơ chơi rơ ini đằng khờ măng mui a lung li khờ lui hai rơi ini lấy sa mà chỉ hồ khờ ngài ô nơ ni gật thao si mơ sa bai phùng trăm uy phu panit dừng cung mà home mày rồi nó Ông sông lơ mơ ra shi mần Hi tha nơ ra shô brother Cơ khờ lợt mơ lấy sân cơ phăng Ninh chốt cơ vai sa ha Đầy uy cơ yôn mơ ninh mơ Cơ shi mơ phiền ngơ rô bài Atamna kwi kerataran Kengeran wi hai rasai Wina hawi ni sanggapan Majoda sama sabai Makalender malay kashi Mengecair ini Dan kamang muya lungli Kalui hai rai ini leisha Majihu ke ngayo nali Ketau si mesapa Majihu ke ngayo nali Ketau si mesapa Ajui lahing sinchong sagi jine Ka semik matunrang laka sara ga jiwi maram akhalai sai Jiki maram gula jilaga Pungcham hili ngami hai ka aga ta ka leijimo ngazin chong wo shok yang khang thung atam leijimo china chimang wo shok rang laga lahi tot sau se jaina simik mutun rang laka sa khai ne idumna sa khai hili yon khai ngui khai leidak leji na thum ne phyo mi khai ji na thum kdong li nik sid le ye china lag sai wa acha wa ngami laga sa kha wa ring pha mai ji ne china adang we akka gai bang ji Mga thungrang laka kup sangaw sayo jaw da hita da sa khai ne ning sila khai ra.
Hello, Chick. Iwi mai te la ga khni lai chi sami ge ari shi tambak shongwe na la ojara jang da khlei sawi da thumai bang sami ge hojik ise amani khudol tam jage ekhoi oja sing da le si da le leiba sing noi da mak sum khudol tam jage ngasai oja na dum hai bi khiba atam gi ibung do adu sakse adu bo ai se ithan da sakpni nungai roye noi hum da sakba heba yaw brai se se lyrics se yeng apun sakmina se goi oja ma hek da dum tho su ya ai ga puna dum sakmina se hai bin angle na bagi vocal magi mokhon se pitch wangi ba ko adu nu pa ni yaw de nungai doi ba sakmina se law ho shogo do Chok dong na pang welcome sa se. Awi bang mai ka khui mi khura mi gila mo yoshim. Tam gi bung sakse. Hoi. Isai se aisu yam na di kano taw de recording tawraga perform se phajan di taw de adubu adum mayam nungai boy na adum sakminar se ka. Okay.
Thank you.
Ja, track please. So much.
Thank you.
You push para you
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ay amaga khudol tam jage sisu kaino Arvin soibam imanin sakhiba poklubadu noi tarabra taribra khangde ko adusu Arvin imanin sakhibane adusu noi miami dum khudol tam jage. Okay, try please. Poklu bana da changler
Poklu bana chingi leira poka shadu gani karam na tampa ki lei koda Poklu bana Chingi lay dang na pokta Shadu gani karam na tampak kilay ko da Nok na bigoy dang tanggi ita singna May shak lay khet lay hai na ay bu Darang na lasyatang bago Agad na balay ko lay barang gilay ko sa peri Sa jikay bagong manday ay pagsibayan Sa jikay bagong manday ay pagsibayan Kapung donli raparada chiliwa Naram chiwi likatada wanday rakala Paluban ay haso Tamoy ama Pauda banate ay so Nang bunong shiba Nalitay tangwi ay na Iwi dingding Lay gashiwi may wonji Rachui mi hawa Chỉ thang nắng khô khulung at tay hao da Buong siyang bay marila na panina Adu bulay ning may sukit na bana Tung shipan thung nhau rồi drami bay jay Dahil ginong shiba din natin ay ginong shiba Yek na ba lishing lishing Thok lak laso Oh, dahil ginong shiba din natin ay ginong shiba Yek na ba lishing lishing Thok lak laso Malim asina utki mapaygo Loy na tung krabaso Maruhon riya Nang bushit binaba ay giitanong day Ay giitanong day Oh, Thank you, Ning Shere, Ning Samsa.
Hello.
กระถาริงพัดเลยชิพงจำในชัดลากสามีเกลาหิมสัลลักรงหินเครียสัลไปพงจำเลยสามีเอาเกนวิคมท่าวิคมท่าว่าจะพงจำเลยบำเดเลยอะไรจิกัดมีเกมาใช้เรื่องละฮีมันริมยังเกมันริมเทกรายสัมพังคาเรยคารานวิมิเกนิงวิริไฮโคนวิยคอนชาเธมาเพนิงสายยาดันลีสัมพังเรเดนวีไม่วันลีสัมฝืนเลิกนักเกิดจะจงจางและมีหนาวและทายเยสิฝืนริมหายกันจีน่าลิปักไม่ลีไม่มาพลุงละมาอยากเคยมาทางานคุยซะไปชีหางานทุ่มเฮาใส่ชีจดไม่ลุยนี่เชเรโยนเฮาลาดันลีกะไทยงาไรฟลูอาตัมประชุมจานสัมคุยกันไม่ชารังสายยังละฮี Thank you sir อาบังกับเพซิล่านี่เชเรรำเนินไทยดาบังเงรอข่าวเธอฮันนุงเฮาเรลีอิลลีวิรัมลีคันเนวไทยคุยลาอีวิกับพานิงฮีนาวีบังคอยยาดิชาดนิงเบอร์เกอร์เธอนาฮานคุยซาไปชีหางาทุ่มเฮาใส่ชีจดไม่ลุยโยนเฮาลามันลีกะไทยงาไรฟลูอาตัมมาชูนจานสัมคุยกันงาฮานคุยซะไปชีหางาทุ่มเฮาใส่ชีจดไม่ลุยโยนเฮาลามันลีกะไทยงาไรฟลูอาตัมมาชูนจานสัมคุยกันนี่เชเรอากาซาฟเรฮ่าเลยชัดลากาซาเกกับไก่ลามาซาเกงั้นไหนไม่เลยชิมไม่เจสามีเกไอ้ไม่เลยชิมไม่ใช่ทรีจะเตยดีมีรินวิจารณ์ก็สาอินเดอร์ไทยคุยให้เรอ
个土个那我glong we lấy cái gì nằm mang nơi winning hy vọng đi chờ pro ô thoát bay đã in đi ngã xa chính xác we make him chili in make na shanta in mirin akalahi mangalira chitay imasa tui mara knowing na sa how ka we mirin pay chao da le kashi na li Kajida Nangalhem linga ninta Inawi sa hoka Nawi pang sing kwida Legashi na ili matsa kwilo Matsa twilo i mang mado tamilo Lòng ta ga hai i charu van học ke say cái tôn cái sa say we make imirin akalahi mangalira chitay imasa tui mara lawing sa how ka iwi mirin pay chao da le kashi na li nasilang natin nila song lang natin nila da the we make young chili imik na nga shanta imirin akalahi mangalira chitay imasa tui mara lawing na sa how ka iwi mirin pay chao da le kashi na li Những xe đấy, người ta mình khai chữ vang chọc lý nào rồi
Hello. Sang room se hi legishianally. 的yêu lung cơ truy nợ bấm li mà ra sung ra tu lấy cái xí lung li cơ hấp khá lấy khờ ngơ cha nơ chỉ vì vang y li cơ xí mà sao mi lu lấy cái xí anh li sa lam hi chỉ phun li lấy cái xí ai nơ tung cơ hai lấy cái xí mà ngờ chạy lạc răng khô mi rin quý vang nơ won rum sa thang khờ won yam quy khá li mà nơ ri mây nơ won rum lạc rơ lấy cái xí anh li bang cái phía say bang da ngờ sàn đờ mơ thấy vào đỡ mơ vào chung lớp băng ly khờ ngờ tung cơ hai yêu lung quy lấy cơ chi chỉ buồn đi đỡ lấy là con hi ai nơ lấy cơ chi anh ly Salam hiji pun li lấy cái gì ai nơ tung cơ hai lấy cái gì mà ngờ chạy lạc răng khô mi rin quý vang nơ won rum sa thang khờ won yam quy khá li mà nơ ri mây nơ won rum lạc rơ lấy cái gì anh li. Thank you.
Hello. Shok lui, ta lui, shok lui, jing rogre si artist wing hi. Arwi request li tele ji sam yau ge nim shimpi ni na. Aja wang nai moi moi pom la ga lum lao mai da gup sang ga pha ra yang. Ka ka jawi ga ja ji pom se kim tham ne. Isha vu ji da hor no ga ji hi request sa da le. Ji sang ru mau se yang. Nim shimpi li phung cham wi yaron nau wing. Anh phải shop kia nào xin anh đi isha vào đâm hong sắc ngay đó hong sắc ngay bình thật đấy hili shop mi lo la shop sang rồi mi lo shop ngất mi lo yaron nào bình cái gì co cho isha với chỉ tao hồ rồi nó shop kia gì này yang nữa thôi ô cái thủy hili na lấy thơ ninh li lấy cái sĩ quy phung đơ nhau cái giờ đi na uy ngờ lem li ngờ so bam ngai shon khôn li
She paga zanani Lay she o zanaranga Eating jod kavai ngasara Hamilu wanarum reda Lay she wishi akali
因为闹个让的能力，一下不记得好人哦。
刚才这亚罗老兵们宁么啦？那哪得来了？你们是比另个容的啥都样？ว่าเราบินมาทันเดลาไซว่าเราบินมาทันเดลาไซนั่นเลยก็ชีมาทุ่งกระบายนั่นเลยก็ชีมาทุ่งกระบายคิซาอินิสัมพังซาโดคิซาอินิสัมพังซาโดขมาทาขมาโยเลมาเทParker Hola Malay Ninh Chinh Ri Mơ Ngơ Sam Quy Career Đây cái gì ngờ chấm Hi Thà La Hông mi nụ Vẫn ngờ rung ra đà Đây cái gì quê xin A khơi lý Ishava chida horano Hamilu wangarum rada Lega shiwishi akali Kiwi no ngarada nali Ishava chida horano
นี่สิลากอะไรเฮียนตั้งสาวเสยตุ่มก็ต้องฮิริงพาขมิจิมสราฟเลยอาจูว่าเฮียนตั้งสาวเลยขณะว่าซาเดตุ่มก็ต้องฮิลากสิเงสังไฟซาเลยเงสีคอยลากริบานนกไม่ยามทุกปีโรอาตุกันยิงเท้าวิเอซิงอาหารสิ่งไม่ยามทุกปีโรคอยเสสักมินาระกะอาชินลาสเวรนี้คอยกี่อาร์ติสนกไม่ริสูทุกปีโรเงสินมิสิเปซ่าท่าดับนกไม่ยามดัสุมิสิอนาวทุบได้มิสิตัวเดียวสิ36,320 เช่เขาสิสิดาปอกสิดาปีริมนี่สิตั้งกันได้ไอ้คนอาร์ติสต์ในอังกฤษเขาสินี่ยามน้องไอ้น้องคนไม่ยามบ่สมัยนั้นที่ละจังฟูร์ฮี500 knots ขึ้นเลยเด้อเฮ้ยป้าฮีว่าว่าชิมเลยอาลาสก์ซาว่าอะไรฮิลิคอนมาสัตว์เลยฮิละจังฟูร์จีอะไรทอลล์สงอร์โนอาร์ติสต์นี่สิเป็นร้านโนนี่สิงโล
สามโซ่ยูจันแต่ว่ามาไล่ชอบเลยละโจกระตุ้งกันนี่ก็เซ่ closing song นี่ยังเล็กชัดไลน์นะ closing song ซะที่ตั้งพูmemory ซะไว้เซ่อิชิพุงจำเลยhow for พันธุ์ที่เลย是。
Kung manaw sos.
Jo sa ka thai ka tong han ko ho sang siang. Ya ron nau bing ji la, ngala nau bing ji la. Một thơ ninh cơ sai đi ba hao rơ đơ Khi ba li thế nu rơ cái đơ Hai khê rơ cha Chính ri hai sơ nơ la sa gơ Hai thơ ninh cơ
ngỡ xa khâu của thầm ngỡ ý ní lấy xa Malaysia bia la mirini sarunga
ringa paga kananga jo pungrunga hai Gesar sam shom de kam suy sinh hay xa la la
Hello.
Iya iling ga chonali rasang ga pang Lai ga shi ot pun hi pung da ma pung khara
Hello.
Nga gao za chon iman khama sai lam hang li
Hello. Malaysia Prila Mirindi
Malaysia Prila Mirindi
Sarum Gahai Ringapa
Ringapa Kananga Cho
Pungrum Gahai Kasasam Shokta
Kasasam Shokta Kam Say Say Hai Sa La La
Ram Nanga Taida Pang Rok Salala
Ram Nga Taida Pang Rok Hai Sa La La
Ngahan Ning Rok Ching Se
Ngahan Ning Rok Sa Sam Nga Panga Chida
Cross Akshita Safasai Malaysia Prila
Malaysia
Prala Mirindi Sarum Gahai Ringka Paga Kananga Cho
Pungrum Gahai Kasasam Shokta Kamsui Sing Hai Salala
Kasasam Shokta Kamsui Sing Hai Salala
Ram Nanga Taida Pam Rok Salala
Ram Nga Taida Pam Rok Hai Salala
Ngahan Ming Rok Ching Se
Ngahan Ming Rok Se Sam Ga Panga Chida Katong lining share sambong linaw se
Oh